Let's say trading great again. Future Thought has this to say. We watch all of your streams, cause it's not fun to trade alone. It wasn't just your trades, it's your blood, your sweat, your code. Patrick blazed the trail, roaring loud into the air. We've watched him carve his name, we've studied every stair. Now here we are, my brothers, future's floor is at your door. We've learned from all your battles, and we crave the trading war. Gonna take a chance, improve our name. That's the price to play this trading game. Future's floor. Future's floor, come and trade on the floor. Future's floor, come and trade on the floor. Future's floor is the stream you really need to see. Future's floor, come and trade on the floor. Future's floor is the stream you really need to see.
This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good morning. Let us take a look at the 15-minute. Am I early? Am I late? Oh, I'm right on time, 9:15. Okay, that's cool. Do a little bit of setup here. Quick. Got a new indicator, thanks to Omnius. Curious to see what information it gives us today. 371,000 volume so far in the morning. That's pretty good. Let's load everything up. That's the, what is this? the Omni SMI. Yeah, I remember what that is. We got two indicators, thanks to Omnius. And let's get this going, We'll watch it right away. It's on Sim 1. Oh, we got to clear out Sim 1. Sim 1 did really good. They're all going to go away. We got to clear it out. We got to do what we got to do. I want to start fresh. I want to see the numbers. Clear history. I'll have to reload everything. That's okay. Or I could have just switched it all to Sim 2. I think that would have been easier. Okay, we live, we learn. That's why when they hire you, they say they want someone with experience. You learn from your mistakes. Bless you. What are we doing? We are loading the long, the short, and Omni 101. And all of them enabled. I don't think I have to make any changes. I think they all, by default, hopefully have the right settings. Let's just enable all three of them. And we're good to go. Now, I'm not sure if when this turns blue, no, when it's not blue anymore, if it would be red if I inverse the conditions, or if there'd be some white spacing. But anyways, with the blue, you know what? Let me change the bars. Get rid of the green. Let's go to a dark blue. Sorry, guys. Slate blue is nice. Dark slate blue. I always like Dodger blue, but I don't know if it's going to be blue enough. Let's start with Dodger Cornflower blue, Royal blue. Let's go Royal blue. Royal blue is, oh, it's dark enough. Look at that. So if we're above the bands and it turns blue, we go long. So we wouldn't go long there. That's not above the bands. That's above the bands. That's above, oh, those are bad ones. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Okay. And this won't go short, and it's below the bands. Okay, just getting my bearings on these new indicators. We had a little spurt of momentum over here. Now it's interesting to see. This is the bar count per minute. We need to rename that. I'm renaming this thing. We're not going with bar count per minute. We're going to go with like Omnimomo or something. Omnimomo. Pating. Already the messages are starting. Do you think it's that guy Victor? Or whoever called me yesterday? Seriously? Really? Wow. Look at you. Voicemail just saying. Okay, we got a little time, so I'm going to take care of a couple of things here. Wow. What the hell's going on? It flooded? My wife sends me a video. How to survive a heart attack when you're alone. Give me 1 second. Growing evidence we're in a black hole. That's interesting.
Evidence that our universe might
Okay, we're back. We're back, and I have an error. Okay, there it goes. Let me remove that message so nobody gets confused. There's supposed to be 3 dots, 4 dots, so I can remove it. Somehow other people know how to remove their messages. Good morning, Butter Stunts. There you go. Wow, that's weird. Okay, let me get rid of that. Go to channel, pin message, remove. There we go. Get rid of that stupid thing. Let's get going. 9:23. We have a little bit of time. Markets are strong, I see. The algo is long 1 right now. I guess it went long here and took a whole bunch of shit, but we're not in that trade because I didn't set the algo up, but it's giving me a report of where it would be right now. So it's long 1. Nice move to the upside. Yeah, I'm going to take. Why do my Rankos in X look different than yours? I love it. I love it. Because you're using Rankos, not Ninja Ranko. Shit. I didn't even think. Uh-oh. It's a good thing you don't live near me. And we go to high school together. You would beat me up. Yeah, no, these are mid-Rankos. These are Ninja Rankos, or they're also called Uni-Rankos. And you're not going to be able to get that with X because they don't allow you to bring in other indicators and other stuff. You're going to have to use regular Rankos. That changes everything. Your Rankos look like this. They look like blocks on X. Yeah. That's completely different. Yeah, well, so Wing Butter works with this. Okay, well, give you a reason to open up an account with Apex. Use code FLOOR. And go to use Rhythmic, or no, not Rhythmic. No. Use Tradeovate with Ninja. But anyways, don't get anything. Let's first confirm this thing is doing well. Not if you have X. I don't think so. If you have X, I think you're only on X now. Yeah, I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that, but I think you're only on X now. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. We did not tap into the Asia lows. Since we didn't tap into the Asia lows, we're not expecting the 1, 2, 3 pattern. So basically, what am I seeing? Oof. Well, we're gapping up. 704. I don't think a gap fill is likely when it's 300 points. I was having a conversation with GPT about your Rankos. Did you ask about the 70%? Second bar forming? GPT will tell you it's around 60, 65. But then tell it that you're using a filter to only take it on in the direction of the trend. It'll probably prop you up to 62 to 68%. And another thing with the numbers, guys, the variance on any given day is about 8%. So a really good day would be around 80%, and a bad day should be around 60%. Of course, if you know the bell curve, there are outlier days also that happen less frequently. But within one standard deviation, you're pretty much 8% either way. So the 50% trade is a 42 to 58%, depending on the day. Yada yada yada. So whatever number you get also from GPT mentioned that it's an 8%. There we go. We're long 3. Let's see what happens on the first trade of the morning. I missed a decent trade, but I'm up 70 in Topstep X from last night. I was watching a video. Is our universe inside a black hole? Let me minimize that. Let's get to Omnius. See what he's doing. If he's streaming today. Okay, so we're bullish. I mean, this is crazy bullish. Why is this crazy bullish? Whoa. Did you see Butter Stunts? Serious? Are you watching? We got in long. We took a partial. Now we know what 2 partials is worth. 45 bucks, and we're holding a 71. Check it out. First trade of the day. Look at it. It's killing it. I'm telling you, this algo is I think we got something here, kiddies. I really do. Maybe we're just going to keep it within the inner circle of my first OGs, my first original guests here. Skeleton, Butter Stunts, Wood Chip, Omnius, you know the crew. Nate, Bama, who hasn't shown up in a while. Where the fuck is Bama? Madman Antonio. We'll keep it within 10 people. No, I mean, okay, all joking aside, this is really, it's really doing well. And the thing is, I don't see how it can't do well. That's the funny thing. But it'll show me. It'll show. Oh, shit! I was supposed to apply it to my fucking eval account. I already missed the first killer trade. Anyways, whatever. C'est la vie. One thing I've learned is the markets will always be there tomorrow. We're super bullish. If you're not super bullish, well, then you're a counter trend trader. Okay, so first trade in, 81 bucks on a 3 lot. We're above the previous day's high. We're above VWAP. We didn't tap into the Asia session lows at all. Obviously, we're above the previous day's close. You can't be above the previous day's high and not be above the previous day's close. That would be kind of weird, right? So yeah, it doesn't mean we can't go down. I've seen a lot of days like this that we can go down, but it is super bullish. You're going against the momentum. It's the end of the week. Maybe this is that end of the week kind of fake out trade where they push it higher and then they send it lower. I know Stacy Burke talks about that. He calls it the day 1, day 2, day 3 kind of trade. We got a new indicator down here, thanks to Omnius. A bar count per minute. We're going to call it OmniMomo eventually. He named it. Lousy name. Look at it go. Look at it go. Okay, so the markets are opened. Let's get on to this over here. Minimize. Not going to spend too much time really today looking at the Heiken SE charts. I don't think that's relevant for today. Yes, I think on a site switch, you can ask them to convert your account to Rhythmic or X. I was having better sense of that. Yeah. You're gonna switch from X to Rhythmic? I wouldn't do that. Stay with X. Just go somewhere else for like one small account to get your feet wet. Not financial advice. 90% of traders lose money. Trade on demo. I'm not making any claims of profitability. And past performance is not indicative of future results. You know the drill. So I'm a little disorganized, but that's okay. For sure. For sure. Trade at your own risk with only money you can afford to lose. And don't even trade with real money. That's why prop firms are great, actually, though. Eh? They give you the advantage to, you know, people complain, oh, they're making so much money, blah, blah, blah. You know, you get to test things and hold on. Let me take this trade here. Boom. Okay, there we go. 3 lot. Getting in at around 80 bucks. Let's see what happens. I'm more interested in the algo than in my own trading right now. Come on, there we go. There's one. Booyah. Omni's indicator that turns blue just went long. There's 2. Let's go, baby. And now who cares what happens? Okay, I'm getting out. It got out. I lost money. I lost money. It made money. Okay, you see, those partials are great. I love it. I love it. I love it. What to do? I'm like a kid in a candy store. I'm all excited. Let's go into Omni's channel.
Market.
Whoa!
So it didn't count yesterday as a trading day. If we look at here, we see these blackout spots. Yesterday would be right here. They didn't count that. And then last night, when the market opened, pushed up perfectly to the open range low from the previous day, Wednesday. Your voice is deeper today. Did you not get enough sleep? No, I didn't get enough sleep. Then you got me in trouble. Then you got me in trouble this morning. It's twice you got me.
Come on.
I tried to start streaming and there was a ghost video playing. I couldn't figure it out.
A ghost video? I don't get it. Okay.
Go through like every player and like delete it and reset it, and finally I got something. There was literally a video of me and you playing. I couldn't get away from it anywhere.
I'm looking for another long.
Florida is haunted. Florida is haunted. I even opened up a whole new scene, right, with nothing on it. I'm like, listen, there's nothing on this scene. There's nothing.
There we go. We got a long trade. Come on, try and get in. I'm not even using my clicker. 85. I'm long at 87. I'm going to add.
Prism 3 times. Nothing in the marker showing anything playing. It just wouldn't stop playing. It's crazy. But got it figured out.
Okay, took a 3 lot out. There goes the algo. Did it take one piece out already? I think it did. Yeah, it took one piece out.
What do we got the open at?
Go, baby, go. I didn't. Shit. Okay, fuck it. Fuck it.
My first time looking at the charts.
Guys, I'm not adding it to my eval account. It's too late. But look at it go.
Floor kept me up too late.
Look at it. That sounds bad. I don't know if you can hear me.
21-7-10. Then I go to bed and the wife's mad at me because I stayed up too late.
What's going on?
Yeah.
172. Let's go.
So I told her, I'm like, it's not my fault. She's like, man up. It's your fault.
Okay, algo's gonna go long again. What about topstep X? I'm watching it.
That my algo throws me into a trade.
I
hope it keeps going.
There we go. It's long. It's long at 06. Algo took a partial already again. Going for its second partial. I forgot what we started at. It's like it's going to be an ATM, guys. We're calling this, forget it. So wing butter ATM.
If it don't work, you just scribble through it.
Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Go get that Apex account.
I feel like it's the weekend because y'all didn't let me.
So I don't remember what we started at over here. I'm curious to see if we stop out after one. Oh, shit. I can get in 06. 0350. Top step X triggered. So although we have a 70% chance we go to 13, there we go. So 62. I don't know what we started off. I think we started at 167, but I'm going to check it out. 936.
Can't think.
Let me take that. I think we started at 167, which means if you take one take profit, you lose $5. If you can hit one take profit, you lose $5. If that's the case,
awesome.
If that's the case, seriously, that's good. I'm gonna buy it 20,100. Shit, I couldn't get in. I didn't get in. Oh, if I got in, that would have been an instant $10. Woo! It's Fast and Furious this morning. Okay, so I'm in at 0175. 20, 30. Let's go. Let's get 40, 50 bucks. 40, 50 bucks at a time is good. That's 30. I'll take it. I'm at 483. Good. Let's get back down into the low. There we go. I'm in now at 99.25. The stop is at 14 minus 6. You guys figure what that is. I can't multitask right now. I want to take another 30, 40 bucks out. There we go.
Multitasking is hard. Multitasking is hard.
Did you set up your donkey? I created it for
No,
you.
I ain't got it. I ain't got that far yet. I ain't got that far yet.
It's your donkey, not my donkey.
Just not enough hours in the day. Just not enough hours in the day.
You're echoing. I think you have a stream. Or no, I have the volume on. It's me. Wow, your stream is like on fire. You really...
My stream?
Yeah, no, let me explain what I mean. You're like a 1 second delay from when you talk on Discord to when it comes out from your stream. That's insane. That's great.
Do I gotta fix something?
No, no.
Do I gotta fix something?
Are you kidding me? 1 second delay. Al goes long. So we know this time 162. Mine is, I said it the same thing. Ultra low latency, but I got about a 5 second delay.
I gotta turn you on. People think I'm talking to myself.
Yeah, and it's not pleasant. That's the thing also, you know? Okay, what did we start at? We started at 162. Please take one. Take a one partial. Come on. Come on. Take one partial. There we go. Now stop out. And I want to see what we lose. Stop out. Because we started at 162. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Stop me out.
Hey, that reminds me. What happened to my trade?
Yeah, it's long. You're killing it.
Oh, I won.
There you go. Today's the day everything changes. You see, that's what you get from collaborating with your subscribers.
All right, keep talking. I gotta see if I can hear you.
That's what you get for collaborating with your subscribers. Omnis is on. Oh shit, Omnis isn't. I didn't do it.
Hey,
and
what'd I do?
And that's what you get for collaborating with your subscribers. Guys, I'm feeling stupid today. Hold on. What do I have to
Sure,
do?
there was a joke there I didn't get. I was looking at the TV.
Yeah, there was. It was a good one. I think I only I got it. Hold on. Let me get Omnius up here. Booyah. That should put him on. That does. Speak or forever hold your peace. Let me check if the audio is working.
I'm not talking. I'm not going to say anything.
There you go.
Forever hold my peace.
You're pleading the fifth.
I'm pleading the fifth.
Okay, we're good. That's it. We're ready to go. Except this time, there's a time right across your face. Let me move that.
Yeah, it'll probably make me look better. Don't worry about it.
Are you kidding? We got to get it out of the way. Time reference. Unlock. Grab it. There you go. That's a good place.
Yeah, I definitely got to get the donkey up. I like it. Kids like it. Wife liked it.
Yeah, it's fun.
It's a work in progress.
I gotta get butter. I gotta get butter stunts up also. I did a butter, but I just have the actually I have the audio too. I just haven't put it together yet. Okay, so took another one. We're up 223. Like a moron, I didn't apply to my eval. So that's all money that I threw away. It doesn't matter. Like I said, there's
how many trades you took?
Well, me, I made about 200 in my Apex because I started at 300. But the algo,
What about the algo?
I don't know, 3 maybe. It's up 202 already. And they're not even good runs. Look at them. Look on the chart. You can see the white chart. They're not even really extended runs. They're small. And yet it's up 202.
Trying to see what my trade took today because I'm about up that on the one trade.
Okay. Yours is bigger than mine. I get it.
No. I mean, it is, but that's not what I'm saying.
What do I want to do? Why did I open my phone? Oh, yeah, I got to check your volume.
Was What did I get?
Where's my speaker? Really? I left it upstairs? No, it's over here.
10.5 points, 11 points.
Really? So how can you be up $202? What size are you trading?
10 lot.
10 lot. Class, what have I told you about over leveraging? Anybody raise their
NQ.
anybody?
It's not really a 10. It's really a 1 lot.
Anybody raise your hand. What have we learned about over leveraging? Apparently Omnius was sleeping in that class.
Hold on. Pause the class for a second. Pause. Didn't you have like a 70 yesterday?
No.
We're not gonna wait. We're not gonna talk about that.
No, I deleted the video. You cannot prove it. That is fake news.
That is definitely fake news.
What am I doing? Why does nothing show up properly?
Yes, I don't know how much you heard me. I woke up this morning and there was a ghost in my prism. The old video playing, I couldn't get it to stop.
Isn't that crazy? How shit like that happens with computers?
Yeah. So I'm like, I reset it prism several times. I'm like, what? I haven't started a new scene that was just empty, nothing on it, and it was still playing.
Yeah. Well, that's the thing. I mean, this swing butter algo. Oh, okay. This is an interesting one. We were at 202. Let's see if it stops out. Let's see how much we lose. Hold on. I just want to let me go through these trades here. I got 2 trades. I'm watching swing butter, and I'm going to get out of my trade. I'm distracted. I want to see swing butter. Yeah, remember I was telling you, swing butter, the algo. I cannot combine the long with the short. It's really simple code. It's super simple code. There is nothing confusing here. It's not advanced. There aren't any trickeries going on in here. This is like a really simple thing to code. And if I combine the two, it's oversizing. What? 123? We lost that much? Uh-oh. We just found a chink in the armor. That was an $80 loss. Okay, but the first trade was an $80 win. Yeah, there's no...
Is that on your algo?
Yep. For no rhyme or reason, I can't combine the two. It won't trade properly. It takes...
Do you have it set to only trade it when it's not in the trade? I'm sure you do.
Yeah.
Trade position equals 0.
Or I do market position equals flat. It's the same thing.
Right, okay. You said it better than I did.
But the short trade, it does properly, but the long trade, it's doubling up the size if you combine the two. And I swear to God, it says by market or whatever the thing is, lot size. And if you go and you look at the input parameters, lot size is 1. It's referencing lot size. It's buying market lot size, and it's buying a 2 lot, even though the parameter is a 1. I can't figure out how that's happening for the life of me. So it's not only Florida that's haunted. It's my area also. Okay, let's see if you know what
you have. So in your strategy, what would you call it? Now I'm drawing a blank. In your strategy settings, not when you're building it, but when you have it on the screen, the settings.
Yeah, the input parameters.
Right. Yeah. There should be one that says how many you can trade in a row. Yeah, that's set at 1.
Yeah, it's set at 1. I know what you're talking. I know exactly what you're talking about. Whether you
still doing it.
Yeah. Yeah, I went through everything with a fine-tooth comb. I said, no way, this is impossible. It's really impossible. It just made absolute no sense. Do you use strategy?
Yeah.
Do you use Strategy Builder?
I mean, not since I found GPT.
Okay. But anyways, in Strategy Builder, each section is, I think they call it a set. It's a little tab. And the order of the tabs, I think, is the logic. I think it reads it from the first to the last in that order. So you have to even think about that. You know, how's it reading your code in what order? So I even made sure that it exits the short trade and then buys the long trade. So exit if short, exit all short trades, and then next set take a long trade at the lot size, and the lot size is nope, still taking too much. Okay, I said okay.
Right. So now you're getting up to where you have like 4 or 5 sets.
Yeah, but I
And it starts getting confused.
well, no, that's small. 4, 5, 6. Even for me, 8 is small. It's the ones that get into the 25, 26, 27. That's what I'm saying. This is a very simple one. Anyways, doesn't matter. It is what it is. Let's watch. Let's watch the momentum indicator. I'm changing the name of the momentum indicator. We are not going with bar count per minute. This is going to be something like OmniMomo or something. We're
Looks
not.
like we might be getting a reversal pattern on the 5-minute.
Oh yeah. Let's get that inside bar. Oh shit!
Evening star.
I forgot the 2-minute. How did the 2-minute do? 2-minute killed it again today. Definitely the 2-minute ORB.
Said that earlier.
Yeah, I wasn't on in the beginning. I was.
No, I was talking about it made about $200.
Oh, well, you didn't say which one. You didn't. I didn't know. You have so many bots.
I had to pause some of the other ones. They're not good on this choppy market. Stupid bots. They're supposed to always do great.
They're supposed to always make money. Just because it's called a bot, it's supposed to print cash. What the fuck?
When I see other people selling bots, they say they always do like 90%.
Well, you can do 90%. If you set your bot to take a profit on a close of a profitable bar, and you don't put in a stop loss except for the end of the day, you probably have a good chance of well, you have 2 good chances. You have a good chance of being 90% accurate, but you also have a good chance of cleaning up the account by catching a huge loser. But the funny thing is, then you would say, hey, well, why don't I just reverse that? But the problem is, those 90% wins will bust your account also before you hit the large one, you know? The inverse. Now you're going to be 90% losing until you hit the really big winner. And those losses add up. So
I updated the indicator last night, so that's why I stayed up. So you left. I updated the indicator.
Which one? The bar count?
Then I forgot I didn't take a shower, so I had to take a shower at like 11:30 at night.
Which one did you update? The bar count?
Yeah. So now I got it set to where you can pick your time.
Oh, okay. So you got the good version.
I got the updated version.
Ah, okay. Where do I subscribe?
So do I want it to be 60 seconds or 2 minutes? I was actually looking at 2 minutes last night, and it was killing it. It's at 120.
I'm getting Renko converts. I love it. I love it.
Change the line to bar, match data series. Okay.
But I didn't even realize something until Butterstunts brought it up. Platform X and Topstep X, Project X, whatever it's called, it doesn't do these uni-Renkos, the mid-Renkos. I mean, they go by so many names. Mid-Renkos, Ninja Renko, Uni-Renko. It's all the same thing. But, yeah, these are add-ons or plugins, and I know, as far as I know, it only... Well, as far as I know...
This one's good.
I only have it on NinjaTrader. I'm not saying trading you can't do it, but Project X can't do it as far as I know, because you can't bring in add-ons and plugins. You can only access the indicators.
Yeah, that sucks.
It is. It's such a stupidity. Who's the one that sat and decided that inside the office, you know, and said, hey, you know what? We're not going to allow that kind of flexibility. Really? That.
So if I took every trade that passed a 2 count on the bar indicator on the volume chart, first one would have been a loser. Second one winner, third one winner, fourth one winner, fifth one winner, sixth loser. That's what, 2 losers. 7th winner, 8th winner, 9th winner, 10th winner.
Oh my God, I'm creating an look at that. I'm creating a bunch of over traders now. You know, I created a video actually. Why do you take so many trades? And then I filmed the day, and it was a good day. And I said, here, that's why I take so many trades, because when it works, when your systems are lined up with the market, you kill it. Okay, let's go. Let's see what we can pull out of this one. The algo went short. Didn't take a TP yet. Anyways, you know what? If a 3-lot can pass an account, can make $3,000 in a month, that's phenomenal, in my opinion. So let's not expect a 3-lot to make $1,500 in a day. Let's stay real. We are going to have, you know, good trades, bad trades. Stay grounded here.
Good thing is a 3-lot's not as likely to blow your account. So
No.
as long as you can stay in it,
Yep.
then you can always copy trade to more accounts. You don't have to trade this huge size.
Yeah, we got another little shitty loser. The great thing is that the stop moves down. It trails even before you take a partial, so I like that.
Hey, I saw you commented on one of my short videos.
The,
you see it?
The new one with
It got almost 2,000 views now.
The new one with the chart, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you. You got to make it relevant to your channel, of course. Yeah, I'm gonna copy it. I wanted to ask you about that. Not copy it, but there was a button that said collab, COLLAB.
I don't know what that does.
Yeah, me neither, but it sort of linked me to your video, and I want to see what it does. So I'm going to try it out and see what it does. I want to see what collab means. Does it put half my screen plus half your video side by side, one on top? I don't know. I just pressed the button. I saw that it linked up to your video, but then it was the morning and I was rushing. So I just closed it, but I said, yeah, I got to tell you. And I also wanted to check in with you. You're good with me using Dancing Girl, eh?
Yeah. I was showing that to my son yesterday.
Okay.
I know. He's like, he stole your video. Like, he recognized it right away.
Yeah. I'll put you a credit in the description. Closing video credit to Omnius Trades.
But my son said, he says, oh, he messed up. I'm like, why did he mess up? He's like, because it says Omnius, he's promoting your channel as well.
Yeah, I don't mind.
I'm like, well, yeah, that's the whole thing, is you help each other out.
I don't mind.
He's like, oh, that's awesome.
There we go. You know the movie The Breakfast.
He thought it was awesome.
Yeah. You know the movie The Breakfast Club?
Yeah.
Okay. Those guys there, I forgot all their names. Molly Ringwald, Judd, what was his name? Judd Nelson, I think, or whatever. All those guys there, Emilio Estevez, they all they stuck as a gang, you know. There were 5 of them. I don't know if they were called the Gang of 5 or whatever, but they all promoted themselves. They all tried to get each other in the movies. Like if someone hired Emilio Estevez, he said, hey, why don't you take Molly Ringwald? Why don't you, bring in Molly Ringwald, bring in Judd Nelson? There was the guy with the curly hair also. And, they made themselves into something. They were like a force, because they combined. And I wanted to tell you about that. Like 1 + 1 doesn't equal 2 when you do synergy. And I'm even thinking maybe, I don't know. I wanted to run it by you. But, maybe do like a gang of 4 or a gang of 5 somehow, Anyways, like I said, we'll talk about it. We'll get it. We still got to have that Discord meeting. But I was thinking about that with the Breakfast Club and how they promoted themselves, and they actually got themselves a name, and I think the 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 will equal greater than 5 because, everyone.
We're missing our open range break trade.
I
think it's too late.
Well, no. Officially, that trade has to. Well, the one I know, it has to close on the 5-minute chart, so it's still 2 minutes away. The close has to be.
You trade it different.
Yeah, you just
trade the retest.
Retest. We didn't break through it yet in any meaningful manner to retest it. I don't even know if we closed below it yet. Yeah, we did. We closed below it 3 minutes ago. There we go.
Closed below, came back up, retested it, and pushed down.
Okay, so for you guys that are monitoring the algo, we had 2 bad trades, I think. Yeah, we did. We had 2 bad trades. It brought us down from 202 down to 120. That was disappointing. But now we have 1 winner. It's not even finished yet, and we're back up to 202. 197, 193. So 1 trade just wiping out 2 losers, and it's not even that good of a trade. It's not even a runner. Look at the runner before that, but we didn't catch that one because it wasn't on the right side of the bands. But, you know, when you catch a runner like that, you kill it.
But yeah, I like what you're saying. Just got to find, and don't do it all at once. Like maybe try 3.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then maybe try 4.
Absolutely.
Just have to
Yep.
find people that, or could do whatever. We'll talk about it later.
Yeah, absolutely. That's it. I agree with you. We'll talk about it later. You wink wink.
Yeah, right.
We don't want to give away all our secrets. There we go. We're at 224. 1 trade. It's cleaning it up. Swing butter is really paying the monopoly money bills. You got that. No, I didn't. I guess I'll have to do it on Monday. I forgot. Deal me in. Is it running? Yeah, it is. We'll get it going on Monday.
Yeah, I got caught sleeping. Missed that trade.
Yeah. I'm up 535. I'm good. I'm up 70 on my top step. I'm good there too. My day is good. I mean, if I see anything else, I'll take it. But I'm in a really good mood. High on life. You know, I love the way
for a Friday.
Yeah,
ain't trying to hit no home runs on a Friday.
And I'm watching here Swing Butter, and it's just knocking it out of the park.
It's awesome.
And it's been like I've been seeing it even when the code was causing errors and losing money because of the errors. I was still ending up 200, 300 on the day. And I said, wow, there should be an extra $200, $300 in there because of all the errors in the code. Once I get rid of those errors, all those losses disappeared. Okay, I mean, I'll continue trading top step, not top step. I'll continue trading the top step signals. I'll get back to my clicker. 22 minus 14, that's 6.8. At 22,008, I get a trade. It's not the greatest entry because I'm looking at 22,010 or a little bit lower. That kind of looks like the low of the U.S. session, and not to say we can't make more. You know,
I'll be right back.
Yeah, not to say we can't go lower, but I'd prefer we go up to 22,035 or 40, and then we start trading lower. Because otherwise I might get caught on a double bottom type of pattern. Not too eager for that. I'll take it for a 3 lot. There you go. It's in at 8. I got to get a better price. There we go. I got in at 10, so I got 2 points better. I like it. Now I'm going to add at 15 if I can, or maybe 17. I'll add at 17. The stop is at 14 plus 8. That's 22. 15. Maybe I won't even add. You know what? Don't always have to add. The ad gets expensive. It sets me back. Let this one go. 22,001. That's a 70% trade. That means it loses 30% of the time. Don't forget that. I don't know. The algo just lost a ton of money again. No big deal. It also got double bottomed. There we go. Thank God I didn't add. I lost. Everybody's losing. That's okay. They all can't be big runners. There are going to be times. So what will we do with the algo? We're seeing that the algo loses about $80 each time. Yeah, and it has some really good winners. and it can actually make 200 or 300 bucks on a good run. But if we can figure out a way to bring in to tighten up the loss to about 50 bucks, that would be even sweeter. The 15-minute opening range break, I'll put up the 3 charts here. You'll be able to see it on the top left. We did get a close on the 5-minute chart right there. I know a lot of people use the close. A lot of people use the break, but if you're using the close of the 5-minute chart, we did close below the 15-minute opening range. This is the 15-minute opening range, the darker gray box. The blue box is the London session, so we've dipped back into the London session. The London session high actually ended up being the opening range low. Yeah, we got the opening range break now on all of them. Hey, good morning, Joker. Joker, you want to pop into the Discord if you want? We're in the public channel. Come on in. The water's fine. We used to say that when we were kids. Come on in. The water's fine. Yeah. Maybe in a bit. Let's have a party for Friday. Let's see if we can get 5 people in here for today. Hey, cool. Top Step X took a loser and I didn't take it. I'm happy. I gotta pay for my what do they call it? I keep forgetting. Oh, my XFA Top Step. I didn't get it going yet. Up and down helping the wife. Once I wrap up, I can. Hey, she's home on a Friday. That's cool. Yeah, my wife's home today also, actually. Usually when the wife is home, I say I better trade careful, because, I don't know, sometimes she comes down, she opens the light, starts asking me questions, vacuums under the chair. What are you doing? Go away. I'm trading now. I can't vacuum while you're trading? No, you can't. Wait, it gets even worse. How about when she grabs the back of the chair and she goes get up for a moment because she wants to vacuum under the chair? I'm in a trade. What are you doing? It'll only be a minute. It'll only be a minute. Wait, and then it follows up with, look at your desk, it's such a mess. I go, okay, that's it, my day's over, I'm ruined. Short, I missed it at 15. Fuck, I missed it, I had an opportunity to get in. I did the clicker, you guys heard it, but I missed it, too slow. Yeah, we're missing everything, what can you do? Okay, we'll see what the... That's okay. Yeah. Are you green? A little bit? Okay, cool. So, green is green. If you close up now and then you think about your day on Sunday, you're going to say, oh, I ended up green. That's good. I would have really liked if this one pulled out some more cash. Okay. Mm. Mm. Sorry, were you talking to me? Sorry, were you talking to me? Was I supposed to be listening to you? Butterstunts is up 90 on his Renko bars. I swear to God, we're going to build a Renko army. Yeah. You know what? People... No. Oh, yeah, I went to the wrong... Oh, sorry. Oh, look at you, Mr. Sensitive. Ah, lordy, 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 lordy.
I think I'm talking to a stock chart.
Yeah, no, I put up the... what did I put
I mean,
up?
it don't matter to me if you want your face.
Yeah, no, it's much
Go
better
with your voice.
Yeah, no, you need both. But yeah, I put up the 5-minute chart there just briefly for people to see the ORB on the opening range breakout on the 15-minute.
Yeah.
On the 5-minute chart. But I forgot to switch. I always forget to switch it back. Just like when I turn my mic off, I forget to turn it back on. I think OBS should have a little flashing red light on your main screen. You should be able to set that up. Someone should type that in because get that going.
I normally keep it on the audio screen. I like to be able to see the bars moving.
Yeah, I should maybe do that. Move the audio mixer. You gave me an idea. Shit, that's like 3 good ideas. And
also, when I mute the mic, I have a program. I go to that program, mute it, and then just leave it up. So when I come back, I know it's up. So I gotta unmute it.
Yeah, I'm gonna put up the audio mixer over here. I got room. I have a little space. I can squeeze it in.
My audio goes through Pod Farm Studio, line 6.
I'm hungry.
Okay.
I'm
hungry too.
There we go. Wow. Okay. What do we got going? We have a Omni SMI trade, but we're under the ban, so we don't take it. You got your own algo also already, Omni SMI. It's just not fully coded yet. Yeah, I think it's going to do well also. I think it's going to do as well as Swing Butter. Yes, boys and girls, if you're part of my channel, I name the algos I create after my subscribers. So if anybody's in my channel that's not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, contribute, and you can have an algo named after your YouTube name. And while we're at it, go check out Omnia's trades, subscribe to his channel. And if he has any more children in the future, he'll name them after you.
Somebody disliked my video.
There you go. Oh, shit.
What was that one asshole?
Oh, disliked. I thought you said liked.
Yeah. Somebody disliked my video.
No kidding.
I wish they would just tell you who it is so we could hunt them down.
Oh, I liked your video already. Usually I forget to.
Yeah, it's got 9 likes and 1 dislike.
Mm.
Yeah.
Let me see if it's
gotta have the haters, right?
Yeah. You know what? It doesn't show up on my screen though. That's funny.
I don't know if it shows how many likes or dislikes.
You choose. Mine does, yours doesn't.
Yeah.
We are short. The algo is short again. I'm having
we are at VWAP also.
Yep, but the algo doesn't care. It just makes money.
Awesome.
Awesome. Yeah, no, really. Let's hit that take profit. It is right at not only are we at VWAP, that level is also the previous day's high. So the algo is going to lose here. This is a bad trade. At least if we can take one partial and minimize the loss, that will be good. See, if I was in the trade now and it's up $20, I would just take it. This is not a good trade location. That's one thing.
Skeletor Explorer, what's up, man? How you trading today? Any good trades?
What channel are you on?
I'm on every channel.
Skeleton Emperor, not Explorer.
You're right. I'm half blind. I told you that.
Skeleton Explorer. This guy explores skeletons. He's checking out
Skeleton Emperor. What's up?
The cavities.
He thought it was funny. You gotta forgive me, I'm blind, and I got this little screen over here for the chat.
Oh no, we're losing again. So we're just
If I had mics set up, I'd have like a big screen TV up here
there you go.
just for the chat.
That's what happens when you get old and blind. You need the big screen.
I'm already old and blind. When do I get it?
For
Was
Father's
red
Day.
and now green.
You'll get it for Father's Day. I spoke with your family.
I sent my wife a video. It was a guy washing his Harley. His wife got him for Father's Day,
Okay.
but there's no Harley.
Too dangerous. Too dangerous. You don't need a Harley.
I've already got a motorcycle.
You don't need it. Sell it.
Yeah, I keep hearing that.
Yeah. And the other thing is, it's not you. It's the drivers on the road that you need to be wary of. It's not how well you drive and how careful you are.
I swear at least once a month somebody in my town does. This is a small town.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, small towns are cool. I like small towns.
It's not real small. I mean, it's not a real small town, but it's not like Miami or Jacksonville or
Yeah.
New York. The Skeletor, you was red and now green. That's good.
Hey, good job. He killed it a little while back. I mentioned it to you. He was stopped trading before the market opened. He already hit his target for the day. Had a couple of days like that. That's fun. That's fun. That's fun.
That can be good days or bad days, depending on whether or not you closed the computer.
Well, if I remember correctly, he switched over to, I think, trading on Sim. If I remember
There you
correctly. Just keep getting in the reps, building the muscle memory, but protect the profits. I have to get back to ChatGPT and my clicker. I got away from it, and that's not a good thing. That's not a good thing.
You got away from GPT or the clicker?
Both. I'm distracted with stuff, and I gotta get back on track. Okay, let's catch a nice winner. Both of them are short. I didn't click. Let's do the click. 87. Shit, damn. I'm short at 92. 5 points better, though. I'll take that. Any day I'll get 5 points better, I'll take it.
New subscriber, Skeletor. Appreciate you, man.
Skeleton. I always gotta...
It says Skeletor.
fuck off. No way. Oh, my God. I was just gonna say... I always got your back. I've been calling him. Wait. Does he have a different name on my channel? Maybe it's someone else. No, it's Skeletor also. Holy shit. I've been calling him Skeleton for all this time. I just assumed.
And you were the guy just ragging on me.
Yeah, I was just going to say I always got your back.
You know what this means, right? We're both blind.
I guess, yeah. It's the same in the Discord. Oh my God. I tell you, I swear I hate when people go in the Discord and they have a different name. Now I got to keep track of everybody's two different handles for the same person. Like Antonio comes into the Discord, but on the Discord he's called Free Market Capital. What the fuck?
He said it's the same in Discord.
Yes, Skeletor. And now I'm gonna have a hard time calling him. Fuck off, Richard. We're going with Richard.
I was about to ask, you mean you didn't get the first name?
I did. I get everybody's first name. That's the first thing I ask. When a person subscribes, he shows up more than 2 days, I want the first name.
Yeah, it don't bother me. I call people whatever they want.
Yeah, and besides, it's the first name.
No, ain't some weird shit.
No one's looking me up based on the information that my name is Mike. Right, Josh?
I don't know because, I mean, the AI looked you up yesterday. I mean, it's just coincidence that we was talking about those videos and then I accidentally make a video and it's got Mike in it.
To be honest with you, I think Mike is one of the most popular names in for boys. I think it's number 1 or number 2. Okay,
I think it depends on the decade.
yeah, it depends on the decade, depends on the area, the geographical
What color
area.
you are.
Yeah.
For a while there in America, you could like pick everybody. You could like just know everybody's name. It's like, what color are they? What decade were they born?
Like
You're John. I know it. You're John.
I'm pretty sure Mike is not one of the most popular names in Kazakhstan or in that region.
I think it's starting to change now, though. It's people are starting to look for more unique names.
Oh my God, some of the names are crazy. Some
You'd
of
probably
them.
think my son. You'd probably think my son's name's crazy.
We went to my boy's graduation. Of course, you know I talked about it a lot. They said some names. Oh my God, I don't know how the lady pronounced it. One person's name, seriously, it was the length of a sentence. I think it had 50 to 60 letters in it.
What are they saying? The full name or just the first name?
No, full name. The girl was great. Everyone said, "Wow, look how good she was." No. She practiced. Not only did she practice, she prepared in advance, and she probably truncated the difficult names into pieces. Like broke it up into 3 pieces and made her own words and stuff. Because there's no way, spelled it differently so she can pronounce it. Because there's no way some of those names that you just look at it and you rattle it off like you're gonna scratch your head and go, okay, how do I pronounce this? So yeah, it was.
Well, there's some people that do names every day, and they're just so good at remembering names and pronouncing them.
Yeah.
Like at my kid's school, they know everybody's name and all the siblings.
Yeah. Wow.
I don't even go there to pick them up, and I go there, and she's like, "Oh, you got this kid and this kid, this grade and this grade." I'm like, "Okay."
Anyways, it was done well. It was very professional. The way they did it, I was very impressed. You know what? It's important. It's the university. It's your graduating university. You don't want your name.
Right.
You don't want your name pronounced wrong. That was very professional. Very, very. It was very good what they did.
Yeah, she probably went through and studied all the names.
Look how we are bouncing off the VWAP and the previous day's high, eh?
Unlike these 2 guys that I know that do a YouTube stream.
It's like a floor. And can't even read the word skeleton, skeletor, or emperor. So actually, we are changing his name. He's now Skeleton Explorer. We're changing both sides of it. He's the Skeleton Explorer.
Oh God.
Not only that, that's going to be my next algo. The Skeleton Explorer. FF016 Skeleton Explorer. There we go. We got another. And of course, being my age, if I don't write it down, I'm going to forget by the time I go shopping today.
Then he's got the Grim Reaper as a profile photo.
Has he? I can't see. Wow, every trading day should be like this. Laughs and profits. How much more can you ask for?
How's the algo running?
Up,
killing it?
up 156, kind of treading water now. I think once the volatility comes down, it's going to probably suffer a little bit, but doesn't matter. Green is green. That's what I say. Green is green. And I think this algo is going to crush it. I'm going to put it in the Discord very soon because it's confirmed. I mean, I've seen it here already. Anybody uses it, they're just going to have to understand. There we go. Just took another partial. They're going to have to understand they got to run the sides separately, which is good because you can disable one. Let's say like OFT, he's a short bias trader, so he can just use the short side. I could have just created a switch, a little in the input, a little check mark, that you can put short side, long side, or both. But unfortunately, I can't combine them.
So what does that mean, short bias trader?
He only likes to take short trades. He does take long, but he prefers to take short trades. So
Really?
he'll take 10 trades in a day. 9 will be short, 1 will be long. He'll avoid most of the long trades. I guess, is it you or Joker that? Yeah, Joker. Ah, great expression from Joker. The market takes the stairs on the way up, and on the way down, it jumps out the window. I love
Right.
that. I love that
Stairs up,
expression.
elevator.
Yeah,
Stairs up, elevator down.
yeah. I like jumped out the window. It's funnier.
Can actually see that on the chart right now.
Hey, make
Slow
a
grind up,
make a
drop.
6-second video about that.
It's crazy how I just start with a picture and all of a sudden I got a video and then I post it.
Okay, let's take our next thing. We're at 213. Let's break through the.
Did you see the one? Did you see the one I made about Mike throwing his computer on the floor?
I saw it. It wasn't throwing. It was a chainsaw. You no?
No, it was a different one.
Oh, you did another one on TikTok or on
What?
on YouTube?
I don't think I posted on YouTube yet. I gotta do that. I think it's on TikTok.
Oh, I don't check TikTok too much. I'm not. Okay, we're coming up to $300, guys, on the algo. That's what I said. You just got to catch one of these. Besides the fact that when it's in shitty market, you're treading water and you're still going slightly up. But
We got a big inverse hammer on the hourly.
yeah, that's what I targeted, the inverse hammer.
We didn't call it out.
Hourly? No hourly charts here.
No, I
No hourly charts here. We're scalping. You want an hourly chart? Look at that. 336. Do we reach 400? Butter Stunts, did you catch this one? Whoa, 350, 357.
Oh, wow. Somebody talking or what? What's going on? I didn't even check the news.
Good job, Skeletor. I like Skeletor better anyways, to be honest with you. Skeletor. Sounds cool. You should get a t-shirt that says Skeletor. Yeah, and a t-shirt that says Boosh. Boosh. Like, how do you not take this? It's a one lot. Micro, and it's up $170. Seriously. How do you not take it? 354. That was a push. That was good.
Mike, you need to start a support group for women. Call it the WFT. The Wives of Futures Traders.
Support group. Yeah, my poor wife. So here we go. We're in another trade. My poor wife's a widow of YouTube. I'm always streaming. I was in a mini.
My husband stayed up till 3 in the morning.
Yeah. And then he's up at 7 streaming again, and then he's back testing, and then he's streaming at 5:45. I was in a mini. Good job, man. What size accounts, Skeletor? 150Ks, I think. Yeah, you said you're in, if I remember. Wow, I don't want to give back.
We do have a support at 21,858.
896. How do I not take this trade here? I can't not take it. 05, sorry. I can't not take it. I have to take that trade. I should have held it for more, but I couldn't not take it. I'm going to take it again. And watch. Oh, stopped out. Okay, there we go. So, yeah, so it looks like it's about $80, the losers. $80 the losers, and the other one made, and the winner just before that made, I think, $200 or $254. That's cool. You're going to catch those. You are definitely going to catch those. And to be honest with you, I think it has a good edge, this algo, but you got to realize, at least from my experience, when it gives you a good payday, sometimes it's a good idea to take it. If you have a 3-lot and you made it to $300, and I'm thinking 50K account, that's always where my brain is. That's 1/10 of your target. I say you take it. Yeah, you're not going to catch the $1,000 day. I don't even know if it will have $1,000 days, but
So you're saying take the money and run.
Take the money and run, because it seems no, because it seems to get to $200 and $300 pretty easy every day. Like every day that every day that I've run it, I've seen it get to $200 and $300 so far. 250Ks, wow. I don't like that because the profit target is skewed with the drawdown. You have to make too much in relation to your drawdown. You're mostly 50Ks, Omnius, no? If I understand, if I remember.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I think 50Ks are the sweet spot.
I just don't understand the higher ones. Plus, I just like, you want to keep everything uniform. You don't want to be guessing, well, this account I got to do this, and this account I got to do this. Trading's too hard for all that. Just keep it simple.
Yeah, the 250K, I don't remember the numbers exactly, but I'm guessing it's a $6,000 drawdown with probably an $18,000 or a $15,000. I have 550K thing to activate. Wow. That's a good problem to have. Yeah,
I hear some people talking about the 25K.
Yeah, 25K is exactly 1-to-1. It's 1,500 for 1,500.
I've just always thought like the eval is what, $2 more. Why not just do the 50?
Why? Because when you get the 3K on your 50, right?
Right. Yeah.
The guy got the 1,500, and he can take out a payment already. While you're just going to you're just activating your life.
That's true. Maybe I need to grab some 25Ks.
And he's got $1,500 in his pocket already to play with and to build out his portfolio of accounts. Yes, less drawdown, but if you trade conservatively, 1,500 is.
I think Methodical Man was doing 25Ks for a while.
I like the way he trades. He's pretty methodical. Dun, dun, dun. 94 entry. 24 entry. That means we're going down to 17 with a 70% probability. I'm trying to get in at a better price before we hit 17. I don't enter right away. I missed some winners. I don't mind that. That's fine. It's a small price to pay.
I've missed a bunch of them. Welcome to the club.
I had my chance when I was looking. There we go. So I got in at 26.75. Let's get down to 17. I got 2 points better, so I can get out at 2 points better. There we go. I made my 7 points. That was a glorious scalp, and if I can get back in at 26 or 27, I'll rinse and repeat. 25, 26. Oop, where's Phil? 25.50. Don't like it too much. Yeah, this is going to cost me. That's okay. They can't all be winners. That's poker.
What'd you do? Get in, get out, and get right back in?
Yep. Gave me the opportunity. This time it's going to clean my clock, though, but it's okay.
If that's what it tells you to do.
It's only a 3-lot. Well, I'm going to add over here, and hopefully we'll get a reversal, but we don't. We got stopped out. There we go. 465.
Is that the new hold my beer? It's only a 3-lot.
Yeah. There's no hold my beer trades today. But the algo just went long. Why am I not in with the algo? Let's take an algo trade.
I'm just thinking back to some of the times I've said that and it's ended badly.
Hold my beer?
3-lot. No, yes, that one too.
Nah, as long as you take your loss. Take your stop loss and set it tight. That's all.
There's no stop loss when you say hold my beer.
Yeah, no, that's true.
It normally ends up in a video.
Hold my beer. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. I'm not going to use push anymore until I check in with OFT. He's not coming into the stream. He's not streaming anymore, and he's not coming by just to say hi. I don't want to get anybody angry.
Yeah, he might just be taking a break from it for a while.
Yeah, he did. He posted he's taking the summer off from streaming. He lives in Finland. I don't know if you know.
Yeah, he said before.
Mm.
Plus, he's in that band, so he might be doing stuff with the band also.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, summertime's big for bands.
Yep. Oh, we got a trade in. Oh, we had a trade in topstep. It's true. Missed it. Well,
I don't know why everybody wants to go out and see concerts in the summer.
I have no idea. What do you mean? I'm assuming outside you're talking about.
Everywhere. Inside, outside.
Outside's good. You get your lawn chair, you bring your wife, you sit, you enjoy the good weather, eat a hot dog on the street.
When you're up north.
Oh, that's funny. That's where my brain was, actually. I sort of got, for us, up north, yeah. That's where my brain was. I wasn't thinking locally.
My kids go outside for 10 minutes and start crying, begging to come in the house.
Yeah. Kids now these days they're not outdoorsy.
The damn dogs won't even go outside.
Yeah. Everyone's got a cell phone now, even the dogs.
In Florida, we got to take June, July, and August off.
Because of
From
heat.
outdoor activity.
Yeah, because of heat. It's not the heat. It's the humidity.
It's the humidity. Florida's damn near an island.
Well, I haven't been there in so long. I don't even remember when the last time was that I was in Florida. Okay, what time is it? It's 10:35. Oh shit, I missed
Looking to see if we get a reversal pattern on the 5-minute.
you know what I'm just realizing?
Off the
Oh.
average.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say inside bar, but there wasn't an inside bar yet to call the bottom.
Nope, no inside bar yet. But we did get a evening star pattern to call the top. And this could be a morning star type pattern to call the bottom.
Hmm.
We'll call it a lazy morning star pattern if it forms.
So if you can see the white chart, I don't know if you have my stream up or not, but if you can see the white chart, how we got close to that dotted line. And I was saying, that when you get close to that dotted line, that's a beautiful scalp because your stop is so close. You know, that's those 4 point stops. And you can let it run to the next. You know what? I should put a dotted line for the target also, and you'd get an idea of how far away you are from your stop and how far away you are from your next target for that bar to close bullish. And you can just scalp your way into the 4-to-1s and the 5-to-1s. Actually, I'm going to code that in now on the long side.
Now, I was telling you I had a strategy similar to that before. And so what I would do is when it come down about halfway of the wick, I would add a second entry.
Yeah. Mathematically, that's the better trade mathematically.
The downside is
it doesn't always
take
go.
every losing trade.
It doesn't matter though.
Right.
Doesn't matter because you've really improved your risk profile, so you don't even have to,
Right.
you don't need as high a winning percent.
So on that second trade, you'd be looking for almost like a 4-to-1 or 5-to-1 or something.
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you what, at some programming I did in MT4 with the EAs and stuff, every
I gotta
time.
go back and see if I can find that strategy. I just got so many strategies with like these weird names because you run out of names.
Yeah, yeah.
Can't find anything.
That's it. That's why I like the strategy
It's like, why
builder.
the hell did I name it that?
Do you put in a description?
It's like F20. Like, where are my strategies? Let's go over some of these names.
Yeah, but do you put in a description to remind yourself what it's doing?
No, I'm too lazy for
Oh,
that.
no, yeah, I put in a description. In this case, I don't have it, but I usually put in.
So I got a whole bunch of A1s, so they put them up at the top, right? I don't know what any of them are. How about this one? AA bar 2 PB.
Oh, I know what that does.
Heck does that mean?
That
Oh,
means
then I have an AA bar 2 PB3 and 2 and 4 test.
That means
Test unlock code.
you named it too
Above
long.
test.
You know where Butterstunts is? I know where Butterstunts is. You know why Butterstunt's not talking? Because he's too busy making money with the Rinkos.
He's killing it with that algo, huh?
He probably is. Bless you, bless you, bless you.
I got super trend strategy, buy, sell. Although it don't work. I gotta go back to that and make it work. For some reason, the super trend won't react the same for longs and shorts.
Okay.
I think it's something in the super trend code that I used. But I bet the AI could smooth that out.
Yeah.
That was back when I was manually doing it.
Set. My friend told me that what's his face? What's his name there? The guy
Got bar
Zuckerberg.
entry buy, bar entry sell. What does that even mean?
My friend told me that Zuckerberg is giving big bonuses to AI engineers to come and work at his company.
I've seen something they're building like these whole AI islands and stuff.
Yeah.
Like they're going crazy with this stuff.
Wow. Now that I use ChatGPT as my personal assistant constantly, I see the power in it. It's insane. It just does everything. Well, shit, look at that. I mentioned an idea that I had, and during the stream, you created the indicator using AI.
What's going on? Something's happening.
Mm.
We have what they call it, furtive movement. Somebody's talking or something.
I don't know, but I was in a trade that I didn't even know of. That's okay. No big deal.
The volume chart and the delta was going crazy.
Mm-hmm. Oh, what is the volume? Wow, the volume's still negative, eh? See what I was saying at the beginning?
Oh, look at this. Delta's dumping. What's going on?
At the beginning of the day, I was saying how strong it is and everything is bullish, but every time, not every time, but often when that happens, you can see, what I was saying, that Stacy Burke, the day one, this guy, I don't understand a word he's talking about, but he talks about the day 1, day 2, day 3, and Friday is a day 3, where you're going to see a strong move in one direction and then a reversal. It would be good if he explains it a little clearer, but
Yeah, that's the problem with a lot of those things. They don't really explain it clearly.
him is terrible. I used to get frustrated. Day 1, day 2, day 3. You go long, you go short. You buy, you sell, you take profit, you take a loss. I mean, that's how he talks in his video. What?
The new one I hear everybody saying is something 3 of the hourly bar, like part 3 of the hourly. What's part 1 and 2? Or whatever they say. I don't know what they say. Must be something ICT or something. I keep seeing a bunch of videos about it. I still don't understand what it is. If somebody knows, type it in the chat. Let us know.
Well, he has a course.
3 of the hourly bar.
He has a course, Stacy Burke, so I guess that's why he's not explaining. I guess he wants you to buy the course. It's like the guy with the ORB for the 15 minutes. He says he has he's had 5 losing days. in why didn't my in the year using dynamic money management, but he doesn't explain, as far as I can tell. I haven't seen. He doesn't explain exactly.
I have his exact strategy right there, and I'm calling bullshit. I'll save you the $500.
Yeah. Well, that's it. He's selling this course, I'm thinking. So,
and no, I didn't spend $500 on it. I spent 20 minutes of telling the AI to make it for me.
I wouldn't do it either. You can just watch. If you look carefully and you understand, you can figure out what he's doing.
Well, I need to start making indicators or something. All these people selling these indicators
$400. My God. Yeah, there's a site. I forgot what it is. I had it on I had it on this computer, but then my computer crashed and everything got deleted. But there's one guy that has an insane website with indicators. Maybe it's even...
How many indicators I got now? I could sell all these things.
Yep. It might be Ninja indicators, actually. I should go check it out, see if it looks familiar. And it's such a poorly...
Yeah, they sell a bunch of them too. But to their credit, they do give you the Ninja, Renko, and some other ones.
Yeah.
So they give you some pretty good ones for free.
Come on, take a partial. Come on, you just tapped in. There you go. There's the partial. Let's get back over 300. Let's get back over 300. Are you even trading, or we're just yapping?
I think I'm yapping and sleeping.
Yeah, I'm doing the same thing. I'm coding. It's like I'm distracted. It's not coding time. I don't know what I'm doing. But I want to put in the other...
I keep telling myself that if I'd take a trade, I'd make money. But then I counter that with probably lose money too. And it's Friday. And I'm already green. So give me something that I'm willing to risk that on. There was a couple of them that I wish I would have took. They just happen so fast that you hesitate for a second and it's gone. I don't want to be Chase the donkey.
Oh, by the way, if you take that donkey picture, let's say you're not happy with what's written on the shirt, let's say you're thinking something else, right? Take that, take that donkey picture, put it into ChatGPT, and give it a prompt and say, give me this exact picture, but just change the writing, and it'll duplicate it, and you can change the writing. I mean, you probably know that already, but just in case you didn't, you don't. I have a couple.
That's what I do to make thumbnails.
I have a couple of my GPT for work, but not for trading this weekend. It will be my assignment. Yeah, ChatGPT is not only amazing, GPT, and it actually even prompted me to create a video for my YouTube channel to show people how much you can accomplish with it. Because it said that most people use it just to check the weather or do stupid things.
They said that it cost them millions of dollars a week because people say thank you.
That is funny.
They're like, please and thank you is costing us millions of dollars.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
And the bad thing is also, it already forewarned me of a price increase. Because I was saying what a great value it is at $20 a month. And it kind of said, like, don't get used to it. It's going to go up. And we're
so you buy the subscription.
And we're glad that you see the value, so you'll be willing to pay more.
That's crazy. There's too many free ones.
I said, okay.
Like, what do you get for the subscription?
Full access to ChatGPT 4.0 or 4.0, whatever. Meaning, I don't, like, my daughter, she uses the free one. She can use it for like 10 minutes or 5 minutes. and then it switches her to ChatGPT 3. Images with ChatGPT 3, she can generate only a few, and then it says come back tomorrow. I can generate unlimited images. So it's,
Yeah, but at the same time, so what I do is I just jump AI, right? So you got GPT, you got
nah,
DeepSeek,
yeah,
you
GPT.
got Grok, you got Gemini.
Yeah, they're not the same though. GPT for logic, reasoning, and intelligence. It's number one, in my opinion.
Actually, you'd be surprised how many times GPT couldn't figure something out. And I've switched over to DeepSeek or Grok, and it figured it out.
Oh yeah.
Like for some reason, GPT can't draw lines.
Oh well.
Like in Ninja Trader, I'm like, come on, man, it's just a line, just put a line.
I get you.
So that's the issue I was having yesterday with the indicator, and then I switched over to Copilot, which is weird because that's also GPT.
Yeah.
And it figured it out right away.
Mm.
So you'll be surprised how many times you run into a hiccup and then you switch AI and each one's different. So
yeah,
it figures it out right away. And plus I have Copilot, which is basically the newest GPT, but it's free.
Wow, I never even heard of that. Copilot.
Copilot?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
So you know that Microsoft owns like half of ChatGPT, right?
Nah. Don't know that either.
Really? So Microsoft saw the potential in AI early on, and they dove right in. They threw billions, tens of billions.
Okay.
That's how GPT blew up so fast. Microsoft saw it and they jumped in and like, we want this.
Yeah.
In fact, OpenAI, which is the company that owns GPT, they actually fired their CEO, and Microsoft made them hire the CEO back.
Skeletor says the best one is Manus. I've never even heard of Manus.
Never heard of it. Yeah, I don't know if you heard about that whole fight at ChatGPT about 6 months ago.
No.
Well, it might have been about a year now. They all freaked out over there over something.
So there you go. I have a take profit line and a stop loss line for the active scalper. When you approach the stop loss line, the stop loss is going to be red or dark and the take profit is green. When you're close to this, if you're close to the green line, you're chasing. If you're close to the stop loss line, you have a trade with a good risk profile, and the algo is approaching 400. 400.07. There we go. We crossed 400 on the algo.
So it looks like our next stop is going to be the open, 21,710.
Oh, without even checking that.
We're dumping.
Yes, it is. It is. It is. Like I said, I'll post it in the Discord. Let me just check the code, a couple more days, and then I'll post it in the Discord, and you guys can play with it. Oh my God.
All right, give me a minute about that.
Relax, you just texted him like a half an hour ago. Give him a day or 2 days to answer you. There we go, stopped out, 369. That's the take profit, so you don't want to buy near the take profit. You want to probably go long somewhere around here at like 16 if you want to do a hyper scalp. And I have the other algo over here, Madman Antonio, and I'm not running it. It's a shame because that would have been a really nice winner. It goes for 2 to 1s. That was a 2 to 1 winner. So far, the only one. Wait, that was a Can't tell if that was a 2-to-1 loser. 1-to-1. It only loses one. That's a 2-bar winner. That's a 2-bar winner. That's a 1-bar loser. 2-bar winner. 2-bar winner. Wow, that would have really done well today also. I guess today that it's firing. The way that I trade is the way that the market is delivering price. Oh, let's go back to the algo and see what's going on here. But if you're going to hyper scalp, you should do it on side the bands. You know, you should go with the trend. So you shouldn't be buying and targeting the green line. You should wait till it flips back over, and then only sell to the, only go to the downside. Although the SMI is crossed, and I like the SMI, I really do. I think it's great for catching momentum. Okay, yeah, I'll go short. Let's see if I can get a better price. Didn't have a chance. That's it. And it already.
All right, I'm short, and Mike told me to.
Took a partial. That's it. 415, 425, 427, 429. It's printing money.
Ooh, that wasn't the candle I was looking for.
Why? You said you went short.
No.
No?
Gave me a green candle. It's supposed to give me a red one. I got to follow my system, man. Tells me green candle, it tells me no. Gives me a red candle, it tells me yes.
So the candles talk to you, right?
Is this the part where I'm supposed to say no?
I told you Florida is haunted.
I'm just going to plead the fifth.
We got a little burst of momentum also, as we can see. With the new...
What is it? One guy said that the candles are drawing a picture. All you got to do is look at it.
Yeah. Oh, wait, let me
There's
see.
our sell candle, but it's too far down, so I don't like it.
Okay, I got a little short here at 0850. Let's see if I can scalp 4 points. No. Okay, got out of 12. 4 points for 4 points. I lost the 4 points. But, and I'll leave that. 428 on the algo. We got an, what is this? I don't know. I got so many Omnis already.
What?
I got an Omni SMI and an Omni Momo. I don't even know which one is which. But something just...
Wait, what's the Momo? Isn't that a character on a cartoon?
Momo, momentum. That's the blue. That's the blue. That's the blue you see on the chart. It's based on the SMI that you gave me. So when the SMI crosses above the line, when the dotted line crosses, it paints it blue. I don't want to paint it a color when it goes to the opposite side because you don't need. White is good. It's the same thing.
Yeah, you're reminding me that I need to fix my color. I'll get to it one day. So on my 2-minute chart, I had the color set up like that. Actually kind of similar. But then I added another condition. Or really kind of the same condition you got there. And I just got to go in and take it out.
Yeah, like it's so much easier. Why do I want to look at the SMI? I can even remove now the SMI. I don't even need it anymore. That's it. I don't even need it.
That's the way I got mine set up. Where
why take up chart space? What do I need it up there for? I know when it's blue, the SMI is above.
So I got 2 different backgrounds. The one just colors the same as I got my RSI colored. And then the other one includes the top chart and the bottom chart. The indicators all together to tell you this is a premium time to buy or sell. But the issue with it is it gets too choppy.
Yeah.
It's color, not color, color, not color.
Yeah, you don't want too much. You don't want to make your chart too
No.
busy, even with the colors. I think this
So I
is
want to take out a condition.
this is pretty clean here, the way the charts are right now. I like it. I like
What it is, I have a moving average on my RSI. So I added that condition that to sell, I want it to be below the moving average.
Mm,
And to buy, I want it to be above, which is about the same as what you have for the SMI.
yeah.
Actually, my RSI and the SMI is really similar. Also, I got dots on my chart, which are color coded also to tell you the same thing. So it's just that whole visual representation on what I should be doing.
Yep. Ah, it's phenomenal.
Which actually makes a huge difference.
It does. Everyone should learn how to do this. Seriously.
Even though you can look at everything and it's all right there on the chart, having it color coded makes a huge difference.
It does. Makes it so much easier to interpret it. Like, you don't need any brain power.
Right. And when you got to do it on the spot.
Yeah, you got like seconds. Seconds.
How many trades do you miss looking at 3 different charts and 5 different indicators?
Yep. I mean, if you see me taking my hyper scalps, there's no time. You got sometimes you have less than a second to react. I can't send my eyes down, put my eyes back up, and answer my wife's text. See what happens when the wife is home? You know what text she just sent me? About preparing our estate. Are we set for all this? Set this up before you die. Some guy's telling her what we need to do before we die. Stop thinking about...
Oh, goodness. We're taking shorts.
Yeah, we did. The algo is short. We're over 500. 543 already on the algo.
I'm out.
You're out.
What was that, 10 seconds short? That's great. That's what I like to see.
My husband's home. He's streaming and he's trading. Let me send him texts on estate planning.
Right.
She's not watching the stream because she's not commenting. If she was on the stream, she would be commenting.
I don't know.
She'd tell me to go. She'd say, "Go fuck yourself." No, my wife's not shy.
I don't know if mine's lurking or not. She's in the other room. Probably looking at cars. She keeps sending me stuff about cars. And I got to remind her, like, every time. I'm like, you do remember what the budget is, right? She's like, but we can talk them down. I'm like, they're not coming down 20%.
At least the vacuum's in the closet. That's all I can say.
Mine got mad at me. Mine got mad at me this morning because I told the kids to remind the wife what code silent was. Oh, they got an ugly look. I'm in trouble.
Okay, 529 on the algo. Just closed out another trade. We were looking at three to one trades yesterday. I don't remember if it was with you or with Butterstunts, but I'm just looking back here. There were a bunch of them. Here was a 3-to-1 trade. That was a 3-to-1 trade. That might have been an entry. No, I don't think so. That was an entry for a 3-to-1 trade. So let's take a look at the 15-minute. Wow, that's a dump and a half, eh? I'm really surprised because on the daily, we broke the trend line, and I thought we were going to get back above it, but no, it was a Stacy Burke day 1, day 2, day 3 fake out. Stacy Burke, he's funny, he's so aggravating.
Well, it did finally get an inside bar, but it didn't trigger to the upside.
What's an enzyme bar?
Inside bar.
Oh, you don't use the enzyme bars? Just the inside bars?
Hard to talk. Hard to talk when I got myself talking in my ear.
Yeah. Really? Why do you do that? That's crazy. Remove it.
Then I can't hear myself. I'm finally starting to get used to it.
What kind of magical earbuds do you have that you can't hear yourself talking because you have those things in your ear? Ah, shit.
Let's see.
Loser.
Turn it down.
Loser,
See?
loser.
Now I can't hear myself.
You're joking. That's impossible.
I feel like I'm behind. I feel like I'm listening to myself behind a door.
That's fine. It's better than
No, it's not.
it's better than the confusion of hearing your words on a 1 second delay. That's really hard. They actually have videos about that, how hard it is to talk, how it'll trip you up if you're listening to your own voice on a little bit of a delay.
So mine's not quite a 1 second delay. It's a direct feed.
Okay.
Because I'm not listening to it through Prism. I'm listening to it through the line 6.
Yeah.
Did I ever tell you about the time I called line 6 to reset up this this box? Because I bought it a long time ago and it's just been sitting in the closet forever. So I call them up and I'm like, hey, I want to reactivate this box. It's like a $400 box.
Yeah.
And the guy I got, you know how every job has that one guy that absolutely hates his job?
Yeah.
So I get that guy, right? Like 100%. Like, he's like, why in the hell would you want to use that? I'm like, wait, I did call line 6, right? He's like, yeah, but that thing sucks.
I guess.
He's like, we don't even sell that anymore. I'm like, I was just on your site and it's still listed. It's like $300. Add the add-ons, it's almost $500.
Yeah, but it used to be 5,000. We're only selling it for 10% of the price. Why do you think that is?
No, it's still full price.
Yeah, no, I'm just making a joke. Oh my god,
But man, this guy, he like the whole time I'm on the phone, I couldn't get off the phone with him. He's like, sucks so bad. Quit using that.
Mm.
I'm like, do they not monitor your calls, man?
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Calm down. Like, I'm telling him to calm down. I'm like, calm down, dude.
I was gonna say we record all calls for quality assurance. Either that or they do and he got fired the next day.
And he's like, I'm gonna give you this, I'm gonna give you this. Like, I'm just gonna throw in this. I'm like, awesome, okay. Because not only does it so it's actually made for guitars, but it's just does guitars, mics, all that stuff.
Mm.
And it's got a whole it's got all kinds of programs in it.
So your son has the guitar, you have all that. You're a regular Partridge Family. I don't even know if you know what the Partridge Family is. Do you know the Partridge Family?
Unfortunately, I do, but we're supposed to say no. You're gonna ask me about a show from 30 years ago.
More than that, I'm surprised you know. Shit, I was watching that when I was 10, 12 years old, 13, so 60, 50. Yeah, you were just born. Guess you were watching the reruns when you were 10.
So I got like 7 or 8 different vocal amps supposed to be on here, EQs, compressor, guitar amps, bass amps, all kinds of shit.
And you don't have I forgot what they're called, one of those control boards with the buttons, the sound boards or whatever, where you can play little effects on your stream?
No.
There's a word for it. I forgot what they're called. It's not a soundboard.
I guess that guy was right. This thing does suck.
Actually, I should get that.
He's like, I'm gonna give you he's like, I'm gonna open up your program and unlock it. So if you ever get smart and buy a different box, you can still use the program.
Okay.
I'm like, okay, that sounds good. I don't know what he hated about the box so much.
Hey, I was on your stream before. Your music changed. At least the songs I heard. You had a couple of rock songs there going on now. Sounds like stuff you made. You were playing.
Yeah, that's stuff I made before.
I never heard those songs
At least
before.
all my kid loves the one about the food fight.
Yeah. That was the one I heard. Yeah. That was the one I heard.
Especially the part where it talks about throwing a pie at the principal.
Yeah, well, you're not going to be so happy if it happens. But my dad put it in a song. The principal's going to look at you and you're going to say, yeah, I did. I gave him the idea.
I wouldn't be able to stop laughing. My son's my YouTube guy. I got to go through him for all the YouTube stuff.
Okay. So you have an advisor.
Right, yeah.
I told you about my advisor. My daughter.
You have a trading advisor. I got a YouTube advisor.
Yeah, well, I could have a YouTube and a TikTok advisor, but she tells me that I have to learn it myself. That's how I'll learn it better, rather than being shown.
I told you the whole reason I got into it was to help the kid.
Okay.
And he still hasn't started doing it. I'm like, I held my end of the bargain, dude. You got to start stepping it up.
Yeah, no, definitely. I do agree. Getting out the Chinese balls. Now I'm ready to trade seriously. You got to get yourself a set. You got to get yourself a set of these.
Are you telling me I got to get myself a set of balls?
A set of Chinese balls.
Do they got squinty eyes?
Okay, I'm deleting that from my video.
I got somewhat balls right here. I don't know if you can see it.
I see it. Yeah. Okay, you
got a blue one.
Oh, they're not the same size. You need the same size so you can rotate them in your hands. You can jiggle them like you're
the same size, but they're not balls.
Oh, okay. I thought they were
spinners. Spinners. I can't show you.
Yeah. No, I know what they did. Yeah, we had spinners.
So I don't grope the balls in my hand like you do. I just spin them.
This is. I'm practicing to be a urologist. And when someone comes and says, check, I'm feeling a nodule. I'm feeling a nodule. What do you call it? A cyst. Okay, let me see. 417. Well, we were over 500. Yeah, look, we can't. The algo can't be at the high water mark all the time, eh? Right? We got to expect.
Mike's huge Chinese balls. So what you need is that clip from South Park where the guy's talking about his chocolate balls. You seen that one?
No.
Big salty chocolate balls. Now you're gonna have to look that up. I bet you can find it on YouTube. Just type in big chocolate salty balls.
Yeah, hold on. Where the fuck is my pen?
Don't do it at Google. You get something different.
Big salty.
Big chocolate salty balls.
Salty chocolate. That's it, balls. Not chocolate salty. Salty chocolate. Does it have to be chocolate salty? Can't be salty chocolate?
Just be careful what you click on.
Ma, look what that is Googling. He's lost his mind. These look like chocolate balls. They're
big chocolate balls. South Park came right up.
Big chocolate balls. Okay, I'll look it up on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll look it up. Okay, let's put it now. Woo! Let's have a laugh.
See what it says. Every city, every man. Now I want to play it.
You're gonna get a copyright strike.
I don't think so. As long as you don't make it full screen. And you stop it every 20, 30 seconds.
We'll talk about it. Oh, there. Big chocolate balls. First one, South Park. Chocolate salty balls. Official music video. It's a music video? Or am I supposed to see something else?
It might be. Quick play. See what it says.
Sucking.
Yeah, I guess it is a music video.
Sucking on chef's chocolate salty balls. Okay, there's two
Yep.
of them. Isaac Hayes,
Okay.
chocolate salty balls live.
Don't play the commercial.
Lyrics. Commercial? No, it's in my ear.
All right, let's see what I got.
Let me just check that my speaker is off. Yep.
You to check out my new confectionaries. I think they're gonna sell right through the roof. I call them Chef's Salted Chocolate Balls.
Are they good?
Try 'em.
Hey, these are good. Yeah, I love your salted chocolate balls, Chef.
I love your salty chocolate balls.
There it is again. There's one again. It's Mr. Hanky. I think he's in some kind of trouble. Dude, how do you tell if a piece of poo is in trouble? Where does that grill go? To the sewer, dude. Of course, the sewer. That must be where he is. Come on.
South Park was funny.
Say everybody haven't seen my balls. They're big and salty and brown. If
Huh?
you ever need a quick pick me up, just
Did you hear
stick my
it?
balls in-
Oh shit!
I'm playing it myself.
Oh, copyright strike.
No, I don't hear yours.
No, but it's on my stream. That's how I have it set
I
up.
don't think-
Anything that comes into my headphone is streamed. Okay. I
I
guess.
didn't hear it on your stream. Play it again, I'll tell you.
in your mouth.
If you got the strike, you already got it. So
Suck on my
might as well
chocolate
play
Yeah,
it,
yeah.
I'll tell you.
salted balls. Put 'em in your mouth. Put 'em in your mouth and suck 'em and suck 'em.
I was listening to it myself.
Yeah, I can see that it. I can see that it got streamed. Okay, no big deal. I always forget.
The sad part is I wouldn't even be scared about the video. It's the song.
Yeah, I can't even.
Because it's a song.
Yeah, I can't play anything. I can't play it. If it comes out of my speakers, the mic picks it up, and if it comes out of my headphones, then it gets broadcast. If you're on with me, because when you come on, I turn on the audio output capture. It's capturing the audio output. That's how I'm streaming your audio.
You don't have it just through the Discord?
No, I just do standard audio output. It just whatever I hear in my headphones comes out. On
See,
the
I got you application audio through Discord.
Yeah, it doesn't work on OBS that well. We have
So the video works for you, but the audio works for me.
Yeah.
Sounds about right.
Hmm.
All right, let's get back to the chocolate balls.
I thought you were going to say, let's get back to trading. You are streaming a trading stream, right? Last I checked.
Yeah, trading's boring.
It's supposed to be boring. When trading's boring, that's when you're making money.
Look, the candles are going up. They're hitting a resistance zone.
Mm-hmm.
We kind of have the lazy morning star pattern. We finally got an inside bar. We're breaking above.
Okay. Don't get fancy. And if there's a lazy morning star pattern, rename it. Rename it.
I don't know what its name. So I just call it a lazy morning star.
The-
Somebody will get on to me and say, that's not a morning star.
No, that's why you rename it Omnistar. Nobody can argue with you. Nobody knows what the Omnistar is until you sell a course.
If it's a 3 candle pattern, it's a morning star. But this is what, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A lot of people don't know that you can combine bars.
A lot of people don't know that the
Right.
bars talk to you.
If you have 2 bars, you just add them together and you make 1 bar. It's kind of like moving up a time frame.
Mm.
Don't tell people that. People don't know that. It's a secret, I guess.
We'll keep it secret.
All right. Chocolate salty balls.
Chat, I'm sorry. I don't know why Omnis keeps obsessing over chocolate salty balls. I apologize for his demeanor.
And if you want to watch it, Google chocolate salty balls.
He's talking about it again.
South Park. No.
Uh,
All right. That's enough.
that's enough.
Get
Got
out of there.
470. Got back up over to the 500 level. 480.
So I was thinking about playing it on stream, but Mike talked me out of it.
I already played it on stream. That's it. I got to delete this video.
No, you don't.
Oh, yeah, you're right. No, I want to keep this one. There was a lot of laughs. Yeah. Okay. Just delete the audio. Yeah.
Or you can mute it. Mute it or delete it. Either way.
Yeah, I'll delete it. I'll just go into the details when I get the copyright strike. Actually, there's another copyright strike I got. I think I played music from yours.
When?
I don't know, the other day by accident. It'll show up today or tomorrow. It was just really recent. It was yesterday, I guess.
I don't have any strikes.
Yeah.
I've been being a good boy. Staying out of trouble.
Not me.
Let me go check just to make sure.
Somehow music always sneaks in some way, somehow, some way.
It's crazy how bad they are about the music.
Well, you know, it's how the people make their money.
Oh shit, I do have a copyright.
There you go.
What the hell?
You might have played music from my stream.
It's from my stream. Oh my goodness. You know what song it is?
Nope.
It's the one song on my stream that you've mentioned 1,000 times.
The wheels on the bus go round and round.
No, the one you've mentioned even more than that one.
I forgot. I know which one you're talking about, but I forgot. Remind me.
When the Saints go marching.
When the Saints, that's it. When the Saints go marching in. Okay, well, I don't have any now, but one will probably.
Did I really get flagged for that?
One will probably show
Show me
up
the
tomorrow.
video.
One will show up tomorrow.
Oh my goodness. That's my audio.
Oh, when the Saints. What if I sing it? Can I get a copyright strike
know.
for singing a song? Go
So I got
marching
copyrighted
in.
for a song that plays on my stream every freaking day.
Yeah, crazy, eh?
Oh, take action. I'm fighting it.
No, you don't have to. It's not a.
I'm fighting it. Fill out the form. Hold on, let me.
Just mute it. What are you going through that for?
No, I'm fighting it. Do I have it on my thing? If I have it on my thing, I'm fighting. If I don't, I'll mute it. Oh, I don't have it. That's why.
Well, you have to indicate every song that you play? You have to list it?
No. It's through Never. I just have to have in the description that it's licensed through Never. I don't have it. That's my fault. All right, let me fix that. I think what I'll do is fix it and just leave it, and they'll probably catch it and redo it.
Yeah, that's why I like playing my own songs, the songs that I create. I don't have to stress over it.
No, all I got to do is just have it in the description.
Mm.
It should have been there. I don't know why it wasn't. Where is it at on here? Okay, there you go. This video contains music from Shutterstock, licensed by Never. Copy. I actually want to put it in there and just see if they remove it themselves.
Mm. Oh, I doubt it. I don't think they do.
I got another one I'm fighting too. I'm fighting two of them right now. Okay, there we go. Paste, save.
Scrappy dude.
There we go.
Start calling you Scrappy dude.
I'll go ahead and fight it. Where? What do I gotta do? I actually think if I don't even fight, I think they'll just get rid of it. I'm gonna fight it. Dispute.
Tabernacle.
Continue. Continue. Copyright. Original license. I got a license. Got permission. Paste. My video does not infringe copyright. I understand the claim will be reviewed. I understand I'll get in trouble if they rule against me.
Where are you getting that big?
Signature.
Where are you getting that big happy face when you do those 6-second clips with Dream Screen? Is it
Big
some?
happy face?
Yeah, like here. Let me show you. See?
Give me a second. I'm in the middle of a fight right now. Submit. They got 30 days. Okay. Submitted. What about my other one?
Where's my stream? There it is. See that happy face? Big City Nights?
Give me 1 second.
No, I don't.
Oh, you talking about the emoji?
Yeah. It's just one of those things on the sidebar. All the options there. I just gotta find it. Like my daughter says, play around. You'll find them.
So my other video I'm disputing is playing a song, Mystical Magical, which is literally like everywhere all over YouTube. So I'm fighting it.
Yeah, but that's not an argument. If you go through a stop sign and you say everyone's going through the stop sign, it doesn't matter. If the cop pulled you over, you went through a stop sign.
I'd still fight it. You see me in court? Then I would tell them about the United States Constitution and what it says.
You're allowed to go through stop signs?
We won't get into it.
Okay.
I'm pleading the fifth.
I only know the Canadian Constitution. We have to stop at our stop signs.
Yes, you have to stop at stop signs. Yes, I stop at every stop sign. Yes, if I accidentally ran one, I'd go to court and fight it. Unless there was an accident.
Hey. Long. Let's take one. Let's go. Let's go 3 lot 63.50. Let me try and get a better price. You put "Oh When the Saints Go Marching In" my head. Thank you.
I can't believe I got flagged for that one. Oh, you was trying to show me something. What?
Who, me?
I think.
No.
Yeah, something about some emoji or something in some video.
Yeah, you answered already. I put it up on my screen here. Let me see on the. There we go. Hold on.
Oh, that's just the same as chat. If you just type in the chat like smile or something, it pops up an emoji.
Oh yeah.
To do that on here?
I don't know. I don't know how to do.
I don't think it does it on the computer. It does it on the phone.
No, that thumbnail is phenomenal because when it came up on my feed, I didn't know.
Yeah.
I didn't know it was you right away, and my brain instantly said, "Wow, what's this?" and sent me to click it. It was it really motivated me to click it. It's a really great thumbnail.
I don't even remember what I had. To go look at it.
And I'm not.
It's crazy just how fast you can make those videos.
Yeah, I'm not surprised at all that it's getting that many hits. But you have to have a call to action to subscribe. You're losing that opportunity. You got to try and figure out how to put that in.
Yeah, they only give me 6 seconds.
Yeah.
Well, I do have that as at the end of the video it tells you to click the next one.
Well, how about this? Why don't you have Dreamscape develop the 6-second video? Maybe then copy it, then put it into your editor, make a few changes, and then just upload it as a short instead of uploading it right away through that process.
So I'll give you a couple different answers to that. So one, I have a theory that they're promoting Dreamscape or Dream Screen AI.
I got you.
So because that's what the video is, they're promoting it. So if you scroll down through my feed and you see the ones that are not Dream Screen AI, they don't get near as many views.
Yeah, I was thinking that too.
So I don't know why they're only doing 6-second videos, but that's what they're pushing like crazy right now.
Eye candy. Really? You want to see my kids? I call them my kids. They're in their 20s.
Yeah.
They don't listen to a song to completion. If they can make it through 30 seconds of a song, even if it's their favorite song, that's amazing.
Right.
That's amazing. I think that's probably what a person's attention span is right now. 6 seconds.
Probably. Yeah, I fight with my kids all the time about watching shorts. I'm like, you can't watch no shorts.
Mm.
So then they try to get smart with me. You know what they do?
No.
They say, oh, Dad, I can watch this short. You know why?
It's yours.
Right. See how they're already trying to get loopholes?
Yeah. And then once they watch yours, all they got to do is scroll and see the other ones.
Right.
Are you kidding? When I first came across TikTok, it was like poison for me. I swear it was like visual crack. I was so addicted to it. I took it off. I took it off. For 2 or 3 years, I didn't have TikTok. And then I only put it back on.
I was worried about using that song. I didn't think that song would resonate that well. The Big City Nights.
Yeah.
It did good though.
Well, your landscape, whatever, is New York. I think I'm seeing the Empire State Building. There's that song with Alicia Keys, New York. New York, you know that song there? I know I'm not a good singer, but
I don't know. Might have to do another one with that, huh?
No, that was my idea.
We'll do it.
You hold back. You're too fast.
I wouldn't.
You probably have it up already.
In some of the videos, I do put Omnius in the background.
Okay.
Like even the dragon one. I don't know if you've seen it, but
yeah,
the dragon's got Omnius.
Yeah.
The girl's got it on her shirt. So sometimes I try to remember that. Sometimes I'll put something in the comments. But even every time it links to another video. I'm down.
Oh, if you can do that also.
Somebody can click on another video and watch another one.
Is that an option or is that just automatic?
No, you link a video.
Okay.
You don't do that?
I don't know how. You're a power user and I'm a grandmother who doesn't know how to do anything.
You gotta do that with every video, man. Every video.
No, I do that with my videos. I know how to do it in the video. I don't see it with the Dreamscape thing. I didn't see the option to link it.
Oh, no. Don't give you the option there. I go back on the computer and click one. All right, give me a minute about.
Two, we've taken a partial. We're back over 500 on the algo. Let's see if we can take another partial. That'll be cool. Volatility is low, 14 points range per 1 minute bar. So we're not in a high volatility range, yet the algo is killing it. And if we were in a high volatility scenario, it would be doing even better because these runs would be even longer. So there we go, 544. We might even cross 600 today. That would be kind of cool. I tried to get in. I couldn't get in. It's too bad for me. I'm getting tired. I just got the oh, no wonder it's 11:32. I just got the I had enough. The I had enoughs. Why not, eh? Let's call it, not poetic license. What's the word?
What are we laughing about?
I compressed the video on my stream. Now we're little people.
Oh, you got the prop up again.
The prop up? What prop? Oh, did it change it for you? Oh, because you're doing a screen capture. Now, you can't do that. You got to get it out of Discord. You got to figure out how to work it. You can't be pulling.
It's all the working.
I can't.
It's all the work in progress.
I can't be working. I can't be worrying about what appears on your screen because I changed my. Nah.
Ain't that big of a deal.
But I do want to go see because it makes me laugh.
Damn it, would you grab it?
Oh, fuck.
There we go.
Too late. I missed it.
Change it again, watch.
I missed it. I missed it.
Chat, type a 1 if you think he'll change it again. Type
a 2 I won't. Well, unless someone comes in the room. Like if there's a third person, then I have to. Unless someone comes in the room. Like if there's a third. I have to fix it.
Oh, you fix it so you could have both of them up, huh?
Yeah, everything, you know.
That's why when I had 2, I was overlapping them.
So
make a video and goes from one to the other.
What's that chart? Right under own your future.
On my screen?
Yeah.
That's my volume chart.
Okay.
It's also where I show my trades.
Oh, yeah? The little one there?
Right, yeah. You never noticed that?
No, but how do you it's too small to see your trades.
What do you mean?
Well, if you show your trades in there, there's like only 1, 2, 3, 4, there's maybe 11 bars showing. 15 bars, maybe?
Let's try it. Take a trade. If it loses, I blame it on Mike.
There's not enough data. Oh, that's what you mean. That's what you mean. I thought you meant show your trades, like historically, you know, like after. Okay, get out. Get out.
I'm getting out of the trade now.
You made money.
You got me 3 points.
There you go. $8, 8, 16. That was $24. With those $24, you can get yourself your own set of Chinese balls. 604, baby. We're over 600.
What's sad is I don't even know how much that is. Like,
what, Chinese balls?
From
hey.
I was obsessed with Chinese balls.
Okay, well, at least it's not big chocolate salty balls. Yeah, this is the stream about balls, at least today. How much? Well, you had a 4 lot. That's $8 a point. You got 3 points. 8, 16, 24. There you go. And now we're in a good location for a quick scalp. So maybe I'll take it. There we go. I'll go there. It's not the greatest.
So what I was saying is, to me, it's just 3 points.
Yeah. That's the best way to do it. That's
chocolate salty balls. That's
the best way to do it.
Did you go watch the video?
I did.
Skeletor?
Yeah. Oh, Skeletor.
Skeletor.
Yeah. Chocolate salty balls, yeah. 606.
It's one of those great videos you just like rehash every so many years.
That South Park is I think it was one of the funniest things to ever hit TV.
They had their moments, didn't they?
They did not care about being politically correct.
Yeah, how the hell did they get away with that?
Yeah.
Some of the other stuff, too. How did they get away with that?
Yeah, that's a time when humor was not being censored.
And here we are. I get in trouble for 1.5 seconds of a song.
Mm. Yeah, it's ridiculous.
That I've been playing on stream for the past 6 months.
It is just a shame that they censor humor. That is so stupid.
Yeah, we need a disclaimer for humor in the description.
Mm.
Everything I say is a joke. No, I don't really mean it. Just trying to have fun.
That's
Calm
it.
down. Whatever I said that hurt your feelings, I'll probably say it again tomorrow.
There you go.
You'll have the same opportunity again. Oh, you didn't know about the chocolate balls? That's so funny. So my family's talking about pizza. Mike, you ever get to the point with your family where it's like you eat pizza so much that you can't decide which place you want to get pizza from?
I don't know if I want to talk about how much I eat pizza, but my family gets on my back about it. Put it this way, I have not frozen pizzas from the restaurant that I order, and then I just break it up and I put it into baggies and I put it in the freezer so that I can have pizza every day. I'm that bad.
God, did we
I'm that
get
bad.
that on video?
I'm that
We're
bad.
turning that into a... Hold on, do I got video of that? Oh yeah, we're turning that into a short.
I'm that bad.
That's a bit extreme.
It is.
But it leads me to a good question.
Yeah.
Like, what's the pizza restaurant that's that good?
The one that's good is called Cocklebeck. Cock. Believe it or not, cock.
There he goes. There he goes with the cock again.
Cock. C-O-Q. C-O-Q in French. Cock is a chicken. And it's a chicken restaurant. Believe it or not.
Really?
Can you believe that a chicken restaurant has pretty much the best pizza in my area? It's really good. That's the one there.
Okay, so that's why it's cock. It's a chicken.
Yeah. Cocklebeck means kiss the chicken or something, or chicken on your mouth. Beck is a kiss. So chicken to kiss. I think if it's a direct translation from French to English, it's chicken to kiss, Cocklebeck. But Beck also is because I live in Quebec, so it's a play on words.
So hold on. I don't know if I should say that.
It's kiss the chicken. It's not kiss the cock.
So if I tell someone Cocklebeck,
that's your cock in the mouth. That's it. Cock
hold on, be right back.
Cock to your mouth. 623. Can the algo hit 700 today?
I posted one on Father's Day. It's like, tip for Father's Day. Don't kiss your mother on Father's Day.
I thought you were going to say don't kiss your mother-in-law.
No, I wouldn't do that either.
Not unless she shaves. Okay.
Anyways, back to the pizza that you're not allowed to talk about.
How's Ron DeSantis doing? How's my buddy Ron DeSantis?
No, he's more your buddy than mine.
Really? I think he's the greatest governor in the world. I want his autograph. Actually, number 2, Arnold Schwarzenegger. He's a smart man.
Yeah, I don't really care for him either.
Okay, so let's not talk about politics. Well, no, it's not that I like his political views. I don't even know his political views. I just I hear him talk, and he's smart. He's not like some of the idiots out there. Whether or not I agree with him, he's smart.
Did you see where a guy ran up and kicked him in the back, and he like tried to make a joke about it?
Oh no, I didn't see that. Irony.
You should go watch it. There's a video. Guy like runs up and like drop kicks him in the back.
Shit.
He went to some country talking about how great they were, and some guy there like ran up and drop kicked him in the back.
Recently though, like when he was older, or this is a long time ago?
A few years ago.
He's an old man now. I don't know how old he is, but
yeah, it wasn't that long ago. It was a few years ago. No, DeSantis, he does some stuff I like, but some stuff I don't. And we talked about it before.
Well, he was a hero. He was a hero for his stance on COVID. That's my opinion. Everybody else shutting down.
Yes and no. A lot of the stuff that he did was just talk.
Mm.
But did he do better than a lot of the other states? Way better.
Yeah, closing. I don't know if you had it in the US. Okay, I know not in Florida. But I don't know if you had it in other parts of the US. We had to have the COVID vaccine passport. It was on your phone and it showed that you got your injections or whatever. And,
oh God.
And you needed to show that if you wanted to go into a restaurant or to a public place. They had people at the doors.
What?
Yep, they had people at the doors with scanners, and you couldn't get in if you didn't have your COVID vaccine passport. That's how fucking insane it got here.
I'd have went to jail.
Mm.
Yeah, I got into my fair share of arguments about stuff like that, even here in Florida.
Yeah, and you couldn't ask questions, and you couldn't be curious about the side effects. Serious, when the government is hiding that much, you know something's wrong.
You'd be crazy some of the places I got kicked out of. Well, you win some, you lose some.
Mm. Well, the fact is, the mob mentality on how so many people bought into it is nuts. Oh, you're an anti-vaxxer. No, I'm not an anti-vaxxer. I'm just not stupid.
Did you see where they came out and they said the vaccines killed more people than the COVID?
Yeah. I'm from Puerto Rico, and in 3 restaurants, they didn't sell me food because the shot. Well, but you got into the restaurant. We couldn't even get into the restaurant. That's ridiculous. Totally fucking ridiculous.
I had issues at a clay museum. I'm like, everything here is made of clay. What are you talking about? It's weird.
A clay museum?
Yeah, what do they call it? It's in South Carolina. I actually got some friends really pissed off at me.
How big can this museum be? 1 room? This is brown clay, this is gray clay, this is red clay? You want to touch it? What's a clay museum? Maybe I'm missing something.
It's where like they have like characters and stuff made out of clay, I guess. Or no, it's the wax museum. They're made out of wax.
Ah, well, that's a different story. He confuses a wax museum with a clay museum. Then I look stupid. Skeletor, you're in Florida? Holy fuck!
Oh, another Florida.
Another Floridian. Look at all you guys in Florida.
Also. Uh-oh, Floridians are ganging up on you.
Yep. It just means it's somewhere I have to go.
It's great seeing the different people from all over the world.
A gem I didn't know about. 5. You have more.
Oh, one crazy story though is I got kicked out of a dentist office, and it wasn't even my appointment; it was my son's appointment.
Okay. Did they put the Did they put the temperature thing up to your forehead to see what your temperature was, or your mouth, or whatever? I think we had that here.
Yeah, they did that here.
Yeah, they check.
Make sure you didn't have a temperature.
Yeah.
But no, that wasn't because it was because I wouldn't wear a mask.
So
the dentist was like, "You got to wear a mask," and I was like, "I'm not going to do it. What are you going to do about it?" And so they kicked me out, and I was like, "Okay, well, I want to speak to whoever's in charge." And come to find out, it was a county-owned dentist office. And so it's like your public health clinic and your public dentist office. And there's 2 buildings across the way from each other. So this lady comes like storming out the other building. I'm out in the truck, and this lady comes storming out the other building. I'm like, oh God, here we go. It's going down.
That lady that came.
That
lady that came storming out. That lady that came storming out. That wouldn't be Stormy Daniels by any chance, no?
It might have been, but she comes storming out with this other lady. They went and got the lady in charge.
Okay.
And she's like, can I talk to you for a second? And I'm like, yeah, you can talk to me. So I get out of the truck and I go ahead and hit my record button on my phone. And this lady took my side 100% and like scolded her whole dentist office.
Okay, cool.
She's like, the only people that can say you have to wear a mask is the county commissioners. In our county, they specifically said you don't have to.
Mm.
She went in the dentist office and got on to the dentist and everybody.
Yeah, good job.
Like, oh wow. So you win some, you lose some.
Yeah. Sorry about the bad Stormy Daniels joke.
No, it was perfect.
550. Okay, there's my stop. This is a 1 minute chart. Open it up. Let's watch the trade. We should go to 17. That is the target, but I'll get out early because that's my signature move.
Push it.
Push. Well, I'm at 688. That's not bad. You know what? Up 688, taking it easy, talking, making jokes. I will not complain about that. And trading 3 lots. 3
Sounds
micros.
like a good Friday to me.
It does, it does. And today we're going
stats this week.
Today we're going to Costco. I get the $1.50 hot dog. I don't know if you guys have that there. We got the $1.50 hot dog.
I've never gotten it though.
Are you kidding me? It's we don't leave if we don't get that. But sir, we're closed.
Pizza too, right?
Yeah, sure. Extra large, like for $12. It's really good. I don't know how it is out there, but here it's a really good pizza.
Want to get better notification? Not really. So what I got? Monday green, Tuesday green, Wednesday red, Thursday green, Friday green. I'll take it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, MFFU is the only one that does that I know of. They have the calendar. You just right in your dashboard, you get to see all the days that you're green or red. It shows how you did.
No, I just use my own calendar.
Mm. Okay, I'm sticking around another 10 minutes and then I'm done.
The problem I have is that I was using my personal calendar. And I don't want to show that on stream. So now I've switched over to a Omnius calendar.
Mm.
Then I can have more freedom to do stuff with that.
I like the chicken bake. Oh, we don't have a chicken bake. We just have chicken strips. Okay, I'm gonna backtest swing batter this week, or swing butter this weekend. I guess I'll do a backtesting stream, and I'm gonna test it on those days. Go back into May and see how it did in May. It's a shame I didn't put it on my account though. I really wanted to and I forgot.
So you wanted to run it on like a
on the eval, the one that's up 650.
eval account today?
Yeah. Oh, is my account even showing? I don't even know. Oh no, the account data is not up. There we go.
I don't see anything.
Yeah, no, I put it up now. I thought everyone was following it. I was wondering why no one's commenting on how well it's doing. But that's because no one saw it. It wasn't up. There we go.
I think this weekend might be a lazy weekend. I haven't heard of any plans yet. Is that bad when sometimes you look forward to the lazy weekend?
No, it's not. I deserve a lazy weekend. Hey, it's my birthday on Monday. I more than deserve a lazy weekend. Especially.
Oh, yeah, you have to do a happy birthday stream.
Yeah.
Hey, you look good for 35.
Thank you very much. So we broke the initial balance low, traded below it, and then did a kind of what I would call a happy birthday. Thank you very much. We did a kind of rounded bottom and went back into it. Didn't stay there long, eh? Kind of got close to VWAP, came back down, closed below a swing low, and now we're trading lower again. And now is when I want to chase. I want to chase. Since you haven't loaded your donkey yet, I can...
Still get away with it, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, the playing audio?
It is. It plays an audio.
Uh-oh. Oh, we're going to get a loop.
Yeah, I was going to chase. Instead of chasing, let's click the donkey up.
Am I still on? I was turning the audio on so I could hear it, but I forgot to mute the mic. Like, oh shit, we're gonna get a loop.
Shit, I still want to chase. That's the problem. It looks like, yeah, as you see, I'm feeling the momentum. And look at the
Upside or downside?
The downside. I'm just feeling it.
We did break this big trend line.
Yeah, but look at the Omni Momo
I feel like
indicator.
this could be a fake.
Yeah. I don't know. We're getting quite a few candles. We're getting increased momentum.
How far did we push up? Not quite halfway. So what's that, about third?
I'll wait, though. I'm up to 658. I'm good. Remember, this is an account that I couldn't get green at all, no matter what I tried, so...
Sweet.
Yeah. It was cursed, no matter what I did.
I got to figure out a way to trade this bar counter.
So you have Renko charts now up on your screen?
Right now I'm looking at the volume chart. I got the counter on the volume chart.
That's a good use also.
Add a Renko chart.
Yeah, no, volume.
I did add the 40-10. Might keep it, I might delete it, I don't know.
Yeah, no, that's a good place to put it also on a volume chart, definitely.
Actually looks better on the volume chart today than the Renko.
Shit, I missed.
But either one looks great. I mean, even if we put it at a 2, so it'd be what? Buy there, win, buy there, win, buy there, win, buy there, win. That one probably be a loss. Another win, another win, another win, another win, another loss. Another win, another win, another win. So I don't know if you were counting, but that was a lot of wins.
Yeah, no, I wasn't counting.
So I feel like the potential's there. I think what it needs is something else to for confirmation. Lock. Unlock. Paint orange. With 2. Lock. Yeah, I like it on both charts. I think I switched my SMI back to default.
It's crazy though. Think about it. Look how fast you did it. I mean, it seemed like about an hour, maybe less. And then imagine you have a website built and you're selling this indicator for like $300 and or $2.99 or $1.99, 40% off because it's Memorial Day and you sell a ton of them, you know, like this is a valuable indicator. I like it.
What's crazy is when you go to those sites and they're selling indicators, 90% of their indicators are just like reused indicators.
Yeah.
You take an RSI or an SMI and you change the line, the dots, put a background on it, and sell it for $400.
I always wanted to create a site like that to work on it. It is something. It's one of my projects, definitely.
What I would like to do is have a site like that, but instead of selling the indicators, it's just have them locked but then you're unlocked if you're on the stream or the Discord.
Oh my God, how would you do that? That's some fancy coding.
No, you
You have to
they
know.
have a no, you have a lock key. You
Yeah,
just put a lock key on it.
yeah. No, I know how to do that with like a numerical code. But how does it unlock only when they're on your stream?
No, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm like, if you're a member of the Discord,
Ah,
then you
okay.
would you'd get the key code from the Discord.
I got you. I thought you meant if they're watching you on your stream.
No,
it
no.
works. If they go, if they close your stream, it doesn't work anymore. I thought you were
That
gonna.
would be crazy.
Yeah, I was gonna. How the fuck are you gonna do that? You're a master coder.
I've had people ask about the RSI that I use, and like, where do I get that? I'm like,
Mm.
I don't know. It's a custom RSI, so right now you can't get it from anywhere.
Well, I can't believe nobody's opened up a site, put up shit like that, but priced it reasonably, like $69 or $49. Okay, I understand the logic. If you price it at $69 and everywhere it's priced at $300, they're going to think your stuff is crap. But then maybe go to the $119 price point or something. Just make it cheaper. But still, at least
Just the majority of it is, like I said, reused indicators. Like,
yeah.
to actually have like real new indicators would be great.
Well, yeah, that's what people did, but that doesn't mean that's what you and I have to do. If we were to, I, whatever, do a site like this, I have,
Yeah.
we come up with ideas all the time. You're creating your algos, I'm creating my algos. They're all ideas. You never know what people like. People might not like Renko. You repurpose it. You work it on a 1 minute. What am I doing here? Offset. It's the open plus 10. Open plus 10. I don't have the open plus 10.
I need to finish my video this weekend. Somebody keeps telling me I got to post videos.
Yeah. You know who that
So I
is?
made a video about the volume chart I use,
Okay.
but it was like a 12-minute video. So I put it on the site and I tell it to cut out the silence, and it cut 12 minutes to like 3 minutes.
What?
I'm like, well, dang, at least give me some of the video what I'm talking about. So I tried to go back and like put in the important parts, and it made it like 5 minutes. But I don't know. I don't know if it's too choppy.
Mm.
I think it kind of went overboard. Now I have to go back and watch it and see if I want to post it.
Copy.
If nothing else, at
Paste.
least it'll tell people how to get the chart I got
Yeah.
until I make a better video.
I have a bunch of videos lined up. They're completed already. Just a few finishing touches have to be added to them. All lined up. I got to get them out.
Yeah, one day I got to learn from you on how to make videos.
I've streamlined the process. Okay, I started with OFT. I think I told you the story, and he said it's basically an hour per minute. So expect to invest 3 hours for a 3-minute video, 8 hours for an 8-minute video. That's about what it was. In the beginning, it was a little bit longer. But then once I learned how to do it, it was a little bit quicker. So, and then I found a way to do it. And I don't want to really discuss it here too much because I don't want everyone to grab on it. I'll show you though. And I did
I'll talk about it.
I did about a 9-minute video or a 10-minute video in like 35 minutes. I said, "Oh my God, this is good."
Right?
Yeah, I mean, you're laughing now. You can put out 9-minute videos, and it's going to take you less than an hour to create it. And I was being a perfectionist, actually.
Skeletor, see you later. Have a good weekend.
Take care, Skeletor.
Before you go, what's for lunch?
Pizza!
Say pizza. Say pizza.
Say pizza. I'm having the Costco $1.50 hot dog. Is that it? Are we not taking any more trades? No.
Pasta? Okay, that sounds good too.
Pasta's good. I like pasta.
That's like right next to pizza, right?
We say pasta. You say pasta. Pasta. You said it like someone
Pasta.
from. You said it like a guy from Boston.
No way.
Pasta.
Pizza's later. Yeah, we do pizza Fridays. Unfortunately, we've had so many pizza Fridays that the whole family argues over what pizza we're going to get. Too many choices.
Plain or pepperoni? It's the only one.
No. I'm not talking about like what type of pizza. I'm talking about, do you get Pizza Hut or Domino's or Little Caesars?
There
or
you go. There you go.
Nico's or...
Yeah.
We got a Pizza Hut. I don't think anybody has ever been to it.
Shit, I like Pizza Hut. Yeah, we got one right by our house too.
It's always abandoned.
Yeah, one of my, for those kinds of places like Pizza Hut, Domino's, and stuff like that, Papa John's is my favorite.
Yeah, we got a Papa John's too.
Papa John's is really
Skeletor,
good.
Thanks for hanging out. Have a good weekend.
Yeah, take care, Skeletor.
See you next week. I'm ready for pizza now. What time?
So
12 o'clock.
So take a look at my chart. I just put in the a very
Pizza Hut was your favorite. So answer me this real quick before you go. So I used to love Pizza Hut when I was a kid, but now I can't stand it. Did the pizza get worse, or is it just I just remember it being better as a kid? What do you think, Mike?
I don't know. I like it as much as I liked it in the past. So
really, so it's just me.
I think it's for you. On this one, it's just you. I might even like it more now than I did when I was a kid.
Really?
Little
Pizza Hut and Domino's, I remember them being just so much better when I was a kid.
Domino's, yeah, I remember Domino's being better, and Little Caesars. I really liked Little Caesars, but I don't know what happened. I don't like Little Caesars anymore.
Pizza Hut used to have these personal pizzas you get from school when you like read books and stuff.
Yeah, I remember those.
Oh man, those were so good. Y'all making me hungry. You still on that diet?
I have to get on it. Yeah, no, definitely. I have to lose weight.
Yeah, me too. Figure it out. Tell me. Skeletor, later. See you next week. You'll probably see Mike throughout the weekend. That guy streams like 100 times a day.
Long high frequency offset. -5. Yeah, I want to put this through its paces. I want to see.
Thank you. I think you said you're probably gonna back test the algo.
Definitely, 100%. If I can find the time, I'm definitely.
Skeletor, if you see Mike on this weekend, back testing the algo, check it out. Yeah, we'll see him for the back test. Awesome. I'll see him too if I get the notification. Mike, tell me this one. I get all these notifications from streamers I don't like, and I'm constantly clicking stop sending me notifications. But then I don't get half of yours. What's up with that?
I don't know, but I've noticed my my viewership grew, and then all of a sudden it just died, almost as if I got blacklisted. Yesterday, until you came on, and then I don't know who, Butterstunts came on, I had nobody for like an hour and a half. Nobody. I've never had that ever. Not even my first stream. It made no sense. From 5, I think you came on at 7:30. I think from 5:45 till 7:30, not one person walked through my door.
I don't even think I got the notification till 7:30.
Yeah, I don't have an explanation for that.
Do I even have one for today? I think I had one for today. Hi, Omnius. Yeah, bot account. Shut up.
Me?
No, not you. TikTok.
It's 12 o'clock. I'm supposed to get off.
You know, I get in trouble if something plays over the mic.
Yeah, I know. That's
the whole time I've been watching streamers on YouTube, you just don't think about all this stuff. You hear him say it, and you're like, it don't really click until you start streaming.
Yeah.
It's like, wait, you're really in trouble because of 2 seconds of a song? Yes. Yes, that is real. Mike, need to make a video about the myths of YouTube from a streamer's perspective.
But it's easy, eh? It's a lot of work. That's
yes,
nice.
the 2 seconds of music does get you in trouble.
Huh.
Yes, if nobody likes your vehicle, your vehicle.
Your video.
All right. If nobody likes your video, you do get in trouble, yes. If there's not interactions, comments, they got this new thing now. I don't even know what it is. With emojis, reactions. Hey, let's click this one a bunch of times. Nobody clicks your reactions. You do get in trouble, yes.
Well, not trouble. You just get promoted less.
Right. You get throttled back, shadow banned.
But also,
you got to think of YouTube streaming as like a gas pedal. The more likes, the more comments, the more reactions, the more they press the gas.
Yeah. But I think
the less of that, the more they throttle it back.
But how much time do you spend on YouTube watching other videos about trading and commenting and liking? I think that's also an important part that for people, not for Patrick Whelan size, but for people like you and me, I think they probably want to see you also participating as a viewer and not just as
right. And they've said that before in one of their videos. So I don't know if you ever watch them, but YouTube puts out videos basically telling you what they want.
Yeah, I watch. Not everyone, but yeah, no, I definitely watch. But yeah, I try to go to other people's videos, and I don't do too much of it though. The problem is I have other interests. You know, I like quantum physics. I like current events like Benny Johnson. It is the Benny Show that you're talking about there.
Oh yeah, I seen it the other day. I went on there, it said Benny Johnson. I was like, oh, this is the same guy.
Yeah, Trish Regan I like also.
I don't know that one.
She's like Megyn Kelly. Joe Rogan I don't watch too much, but I like these guys, you know. Russell Brand I don't watch anymore, but
main ones I watch is the Benny Johnson, We Are Change. I don't know if you ever seen that one.
No.
Guy's been on YouTube forever.
Is that the guy in a suit with a cheap background, and he tells you he starts off his?
No.
Oh, okay.
Are you talking about a trader?
No. A current events guy, you know, like a Benny Johnson, but he starts off. He's an older guy. He's in a suit, kind of, I think, on every video, and he's got this cheesy background, a wall. It's not very attractive.
Labid, hopefully I'm saying that right. Labid Islam.
Nah, if you're asking me, no, that's not it.
No, I'm talking to someone on the chat. Labid, is today a good trading day for you?
Yeah,
yes
it is.
No.
It is. What do you mean yes and no? Didn't you have laughs?
Great day futures floor.
Are you green? Are you green? Are you green?
Yes.
Did you have some laughs? Did you have some laughs?
Yes.
Then it's a great day.
Yes. All that stuff's true.
Then it's a great day.
I just didn't take many trades. Plus, it's a Friday. I don't trade a lot on Fridays. I've had, one red day this week? Why would I want to risk all that on a Friday? I just want to have fun and go into the weekend. I took, 3 trades today?
Okay, that's good. How many do you want to take?
Well, there was the 3-point trade that Mike made me take, so I guess 4.
I don't make anybody take any trades.
It was a joke.
Okay, we're touching that line there.
Labid, how was your day today? Any good trades? Any bad trades? Let us know. We got a few minutes to talk about it. Yeah, maybe not. Worry about it at the end of the stream.
Why don't you tell them about your favorite song?
Yeah, we've been making some jokes today.
Omnius has been sharing with us his taste in music.
Been paper trading. That's
Lord.
cool. Nothing wrong with paper trading. What kind of strategy are you trying to paper trade? Or have you found a strategy yet? Well, we talk about many strategies on stream. So if you want to talk about strategies, you want to come hang out, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to put a link in the description also. The other guy on chat, you can go over to his stream, subscribe to his channel. And between the two of us, you're going to hear about a lot of different strategies.
I have a
We
lot.
also have other people come on who talk about different strategies besides even what we use. So if you're looking for strategies, which I think is the most important part, it's unbelievable how long people try to learn how to trade without actually having a real strategy. So subscribe to the channel, go to that link. Futures floor, Mike's on the stream. You hear him now. Mike, say hi.
Tell him about my algo. You see,
Try to make some,
you are not.
try to make some jokes.
You are not going to have a better time anywhere else. That I promise you.
We try to keep it interesting. Try to work together, make jokes, talk about strategies, work on trading bots. So no solid strat yet.
Got
There you
these.
go.
We got these. Everyone put a link for these. Actually, I'm going to use it. You know what? Make all the jokes you want. Make all the jokes you want.
We're gonna get you an affiliate link for those.
This is a great stress remover. When I get a little bit of stressed, this is really great. If you're enjoying the stream so far, go hit the reaction 30 times right now. Okay. Where is it? There is no reaction button on your stream.
It's in the chat. There's a heart. You hover over the heart, it gives you reactions.
No. No, I learned that from
Vertical.
I just have emojis. That's not me.
No, that's the reactions. Somebody's hitting the heart 100 right now. Hearts and 100. Are you?
All I got is this.
What do you got?
Camels.
Smiley face?
Camels.
Camels.
Yeah, I got animals. All I got is animals. I don't know. That's what I'm saying. I don't know anything works. I just got animals.
There's a chat right next to it that shows a heart. You just hover over the heart.
I think you're gonna have to be satisfied with this. That's the best I can do for you.
Do you see it on your stream now? I don't know what those things are.
Oh, there you go. Yeah. But that's in OBS.
No. It's on the stream.
For me, it's on OBS.
No, it's on your stream.
See? Here, I'm doing it in OBS right now on my channel. I'm in OBS, and I'm doing 100.
You're saying from your chat box.
From the chat box in OBS.
Right. So the same thing's on the stream for everybody else.
Okay. They don't have the camels?
No camels. Although there was that one.
Whoa! We're at 585. We're getting back over 600 with the bot. How funny was that whisper, huh? Tell me. That was a good one, huh?
Is copy trading 20 accounts, 50K funded accounts a good strat?
Woo! Let's hear what you have to say about that.
Oh, man, I was going to push that over to you.
Is it a good strat if your copy trader is reliable? Because if your copy trader isn't reliable, you're going to get into trouble. If you're good with the copy trader and if you have a good strategy. If you don't have a good strategy, if you can't make money on one, then how are you going to? You're not going to make money on on 20 accounts. So first get good at making money in one account, and then think about copying to 20.
Could you imagine losing on 20 accounts?
Yeah, it starts to get a little expensive.
until I would have to say until you earn the right to have 20 accounts, I would think it's a bad strategy.
That's right.
You need to be able to say, I have one funded account. Then you need to say, okay, well, now I went from one funded account to 3. Okay, now I got 3 funded accounts. Okay, so now I can go to 5 or 6 and build up. To just say you're going to jump into 20 funded accounts, that's crazy. But if you want to try it and that's what you think is best, I would advise against it. But
not financial advice, entertainment only. He's not a financial advisor. Seek the advice of a financial advisor. Trade on demo only.
What's our current coupon for Bulenox?
83%.
So if you do want to do that, and I can't talk you out of it, then I would say wait till there's a 91% sale and then buy you 20 accounts. Right now you can get Bulenox at 83%. Use code Omnius.
Yeah, that's the cheapest out there right now, 83%. And
that, what is that, like $20?
83%. Yeah, it's let's say 150, 17%. It's $15 plus another, yeah, 20 some odd dollars, 22 bucks.
You can also find the link in the description, or if I was better at this and knew where to get it, paste it right there. Or if you're wanting to go with Apex, I currently don't have Apex, so you'd have to ask Mike his. So if you want to, Bulenox and Apex are going to be your cheapest props right now if you're wanting to get bigger accounts. I think Bulenox is what, 11? Apex is 20.
Yeah, Apex is 20.
So if you want to go with Apex, I don't have a link, but if you go to their website, use code FLOOR. That's Mike's code. That's going to give you your best discount there. Mike, is that capital or lowercase?
I'm Mike. It's it doesn't matter. I don't think it makes a difference actually, but I have it as uppercase.
Well, I'll put his uppercase in.
We got to start doing giveaways. We got to have free cash Fridays giveaways or something.
So if you're looking for a discount code for one of those prop firms, you can use one of those codes. That's gonna, please don't go pay full price. Mike, a few months ago, I had somebody use my code or use my link, but not the code.
Yeah.
And you think I would be happy about that, but I'm not, because somebody got screwed over because they didn't use the code.
Yeah, I had that happen.
I don't like to see people get screwed over.
I had that happen also to someone.
So if you want the best price, use the code. Yes, the link will still give us credit, but don't go pay $100 for something you can get for $20. Unfortunately, Labid, unfortunately, we're about at the end of the stream for today. It's Friday. Go enjoy the weekend. Like I said, subscribe to the channel. If you want another great channel to learn strategies and have fun, make jokes on, click the link. I had it up above. Go to Future Floors channel. Subscribe there. We do a lot of co-streams together. Gonna have a lot of fun, build a community, talk about different strategies. Any more quick questions before we leave?
Yeah, I think it is quitting time. You are right.
We'll give it about 3 more minutes.
I put my balls in a box.
I got my family looking at me saying, "You said 11 o'clock."
Yeah. We're having a good time. What can I tell you? Time flies when you're having fun, right?
Yeah, what's your favorite strat? Labid, my favorite strat is what you see on my screen right now. I do the quick version. We don't really have time for the longer version. Is we have a momentum line. Below the momentum line, we sell. Above the momentum line, we buy. Compare that with my RSI. Want it to be above 0 in blue for buys, below 0 in red for sales. You can also see that quickly by the dots right here. Those dots are going to tell you what I'm looking for. So like right here, we have a push up, bearish engulfing candle down. That would be a good sell. Don't see, not really a good buy. Also look for the pullbacks. So I don't just want the condition, I want a pullback also. And for that, I use a volume chart, which we can talk more about another day. But over here, we see a downtrend below the momentum line. Dots are red. RSI is red. We're looking for sales, and that keeps us in the right direction. Look for pullbacks. We can see maybe something here. Pullback here. Look for the break, sell down. Come up, push up. Here we're looking for longs. Mike, I got to show you one day when I back test this, the boxes I draw.
Okay.
It's kind of crazy. Go down a rabbit hole on it. So like this here would be buy conditions. Come over here, we're looking for sell conditions. Something like that. That just helps keep us on the right side of the market.
You ever try trading with the Darvis box by any chance?
So we can come over here, we could draw another box. So all this is red. Come over here, draw another box, and this would be buys. I actually like my buys to be blue. Just kind of in a rush. Get this stuff out of the way so I can actually see my own chart. So that keeps us in the right direction. Buys, sells. Here's buys. We never really got a pullback. When we did, it was a strong pullback. So we're not looking for that. Sells, we get a push up. We see a great candlestick pattern, bearish engulfing candle. We're looking for sells there. So as long as we're on this side of the momentum line, looking for sales, keeps us in the right direction. Also, we like to talk about other strategies. So if there's any other ones you're looking at, don't hesitate, come on chat and discuss the strategies. But I think that's going to do it for us today. Mike, you got any last words?
No, I think it's time to call it quits for the day. And we'll be streaming again 9:15 Monday morning. So we'll pick it up.
Actually,
we'll pick it up where we left off.
Hate to cut you off, Mike.
Oh, no
Mike's going to be back testing a strategy this weekend. So if you subscribe to his channel, hit the bell icon, you'll see him probably come on tomorrow or Sunday back testing one of his strategies if you're looking for a strategy.
Yeah, it's an algo, and if it looks like it's promising, I will post it in my Discord.
So we do manual trades. We also do algo trades with bots.
Oh my God, it's 20 minutes. My daughter's right. Yeah, okay, I gotta go. We have an appointment at 1 o'clock. That's true. I forgot.
All right.
Okay, guys, we'll see you Monday morning. Thanks for hanging out. We had a good time. And Monday morning it is. Take care, guys.
Mike, see you Monday.
Yep.
Labid, see you Monday.
Have a good weekend, everybody. Trade safe.
Have a good weekend.
Let's say trading great again. Future Floor has this to say. We watch all of your it's not fun to trade alone. It wasn't just your trades, it's your blood, your sweat, your cone. Patrick blazed the trail, roaring loud into the air. We watched him carve his name, we studied every stair. Now here we are, my brothers, future's floor is at your door. We've learned from all your battles, and we crave the trading war. Gonna take a chance and prove our name. That's the price to play this trading game. The future store. Future store, come and trade on the floor. Future store, come and trade on the floor.